Item number 1 to 4, my lord. It will be listed on 23rd, my lord. Yeah, I'm
Okay. Mr. G.N. Sahal and Senior Counsel for the petitioners has sought for listing of the cases on 23rd, 23, 23/11/2023. He submitted
Your
that
Lordship, may I please mention item
consent has
20?
been
Item
taken from the
20.
Land Council for the respondent site. List the cases on 23/11/2023.
Your Lordship, with your permission, may I please mention item 23?
Item
23.
23.
My lord.
Six, Lordship.
My lord, I am seeking adjournment in this matter. I had come from Delhi to argue. However, there is some medical emergency at my home in Delhi. I have to rush back, my lord. That's why.
20?
23.
23. Okay. You are for a petitioner?
I am for the petitioner, my lords.
Okay. When we want?
My lords, any date convenient to my lords.
Okay.
Next month or in January.
Next month.
Or in
Or
January. Or in January, my lords.
Not in December.
My lords, if it can be in January.
Okay, in December.
My lord.
Hmm. Third of January.
3rd of January. My lord.
Okay, Mr.
Pankaj Mehta.
P. Mehta, Land Council for the petition has submitted that as there is some medical emergency in his family, he would not be in a position to argue the matter today, and he has just sought for listing of the case after 6 weeks. Who is for the petition? Other side?
NFR. National.
Mr. Buragunhai. Or what is this one? Just 20. Oh, okay. Central Government Council? Is there any Central Government Council? Do it for some time. We have not informed.
My lord, I had a medical emergency in the morning only. I had come for arguments only. So I didn't.
Find out some CGC. Yes, State Council. Mormon, find out some Central Government Council. Okay, you wait for 2-3 minutes.
My lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, item number 6, Lordship. Motion.
Item number 6.
My lord, the matter may be withdrawn, Lordship, because my lord, there is some latest development, Lordship. Matter may be withdrawn,
Okay. Mr. S. Ali,
Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner wants to withdraw the writ petition with the liberty to file afresh. Post of MS M. Bormal and Junior Government Advocate Assam. For the state respondents has no objection to state prayer in view of the above submission made by Mr. Ali, Learned Counsel for the petition. The writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal with the liberty to file afresh.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, with your consent of the other side, my lord, I beg to mention item number 2425 from the Corporation Department on behalf of Mr. S.K. Talukdar, my lord.
24/25.
25, my lord.
Okay. MS
S.K. Bhatt.
S.K. Bhatt,
Yes, my lord.
Learned Counsel appearing for Mr. S.K. Talukdar, Learned Standing Counsel Corporation Department has sought for adjournment of the cases on the ground of personal difficulty on the part of Mr. S.K. Talukdar, Learned Standing Counsel. So it is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Counsel for the petition to make the prayer. The prayer is allowed, leave the cases after 2 weeks.
My lord, similar prayer for item number 42, 43 and 44.
42, 43, 44. Okay, you have informed?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, same. S.K.
Obliged.
Talukdar.
Yes, my lord.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Obliged, my lord.
Lord, I beg to mention for listening IA for impediment, my lord. IA for impediment, my lord.
Okay, next week.
Next week, my lord, anyway.
May it please. I am mentioning item number 49, my lord. I have also informed the government advocate.
49.
Yes, ma'am. This matter may be taken up after 4 weeks, ma'am. some
Okay.
updated instruction is coming, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr. B. Borua, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, lays the case after 4 weeks
My lord,
as he is obtaining further instruction in the matter.
my lord, there is a
It is
interim
submitted
order.
that consent has been taken from the Learned Counsel for the respondents to make the prayer. Yes,
The earlier interim order, my lord, that may-
49.
the interim order passed earlier. And interim order passed earlier. Shall continue till the next date of listening.
Bless
Yes, Your Honor. I would like to mention WBC number 1562
Huh?
23. It was last posted on.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Huh? Huh? কেতিয়া? এটা পোন হবে এই বাকত পুৰাই কৰিম।
It was, my lord, it was last posted on 28/8/23. It was listed on 14/11/23.
14
11/23.
you listed. Why you are, it is fixed already, then it will be listed.
Well, item 26 to 32.
26 to
No,
30,
it's-
yes.
My lord,
Regarding
not
one of tax matter, my lord, it is fixed for admission hearing today. And let it be on a hearing, they have taken the consent of the other side. On 12th of December or 14th of December, when it's convenient.
Okay. 12.
Yes, 12 or 14th December.
14 is Sunday. No, 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 no.
It's Thursday, but
Okay, 12th of December, Mr. on the, as sought for by Mr. N. Borua, P.K. Bora. P.K. Bora, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, and Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel Finance and Taxation. Release the cases. On 12th.
My lord, it may be listed as for listing on 14/11/23. It is not fixed. It is not fixed. A record to be listed.
Huh?
It has record listed on 14/11/23.
It has been ordered to be listed on 14/11.
No, I
Huh?
am urging, I am praying you. To be listed on even 14/11/23.
Why? What is the matter? Subject matter?
Acquisition of land,
Huh?
acquisition of land.
15.
May I please, your lordship?
15.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I am praying for pending requisition for listing on Friday, lordship. What happened in this case, lordship, the grievance raised in the requisition has already been released by the government in terms with the decision made by the honorable apex court, lordship. So we want to close the requisition by observing the same.
15. Okay. Friday.
Friday, lordship.
Okay.
similar payment. Actually, it was also acquisition of land, portion of building was demolished. Other portion was impacted, but no compensation was given. During this last monsoon, it is already some kind of damage. So some interim protection is required.
Wednesday.
15.
May I please, your lordship, today's item number 39. Your lordship, it may kindly defer to for 17 of this month. We have also talked with the other party.
You are for the respondent
Yes, your lordship.
on the prayer of Mr.
B Dev. B Dev.
B. Dev, Learned Counsel for the respondent. Release the case on 17.
17.
What is 17?
We have-
17. It is submitted that you have informed the other
Yeah,
side.
yes, they're there. I've already informed. them.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Actually,
Mr.
what
M.
I can
Dr.
say-
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who is in attendance, has no objection to say prayer. Please, next.
Stay order was there, your lordship, 23/6,
Hmm?
2023, stay order was there.
Okay, stay order is there. The interim order, hello, shall continue,
may be
pass earlier, shall
continued.
continue till the
It may
next
be
date of this.
Acquisition matter. I am for the municipal board Nalbari, 5 and 6. So it may be listed on 15 of this month.
15. 17, many matters are listed.
May I please, your lordship?
My lord, I beg to mention for listing of a writ petition on tomorrow lordship, tomorrow lordship, matter relating to no confidence motion lordship. Meeting is going to be held on day after tomorrow, on 10th lordship. So tomorrow,
Motion.
motion matter. Because lordship, on 10th lordship, date is fixed for special meeting lordship,
New writ petition.
new writ petition. Lordship.
Friday.
Lordship, day after tomorrow, meeting is going to be held.
Friday.
May I beg to mention listing matter, my lord, pending matter, my lord, next week, my lord.
Subject matter.
Subject matter, my lord, after elected as president, a third child have been born, my lord. Third child have been born. I have challenged this order. After elected as a president of a panchayat,
After?
after elected as a president
Yes.
of a Gaon Panchayat president, my lord, third child have been born.
Third?
Third child have been born, my lord. This is the bar at the section rule 62, my lord, Panchayat Act,
Okay, next week.
my lord.
Friday. Good.
Please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 48. Your lordship may kindly adjourn the matter for the day. My senior is out of station due to sudden demise of his elder brother.
My lord, in this case, lordship, I am appearing. This item 48 is connected with item number 64, lordship. 64, lordship, I have filed an IA for vacating of the interim order. My lord, in this case, lordship, urgency is there. May I pray, lordship, this matter may be taken on 14 on 16. Next week, lordship.
Your lordship, the interim may continue.
Yes, yes, that is.
Stay vacating.
Yes, lordship, stay vacating. No confidence motion, lordship, by operation.
Okay,
of law.
17.
My lord, can it be on 16, lordship?
16, your lordship, they will be.
Your Mr.
I'm R. Sharma on behalf of M. Datta,
R. Sharma. Okay. Learned counsel for the
petitioners.
petitioner. Item 48. Learned counsel appearing for Mr. M. Dr. Learned counsel for the petitioner has sought for listing of the case on 17/11/2023 on the ground that what ground?
My senior's elder brother is sudden demise of my senior elder brother.
Okay. On the ground that there is bereavement in the family of Mr. Dr. So on the other hand, Mr. M. Khan Learned counsel appearing for the applicant in IA 3292/2023 has expressed urgency in the matter. Full stop. As the IA has been filed, as the IA has been filed, interlocutory relation before seeking vacation of an interim order. Full stop. List the writ petition along with the IA in the stay vacating column on 17/11/2023.
Your lordship,
As
interim
agreed
may
to by the
continue.
Learned counsel for the party, the interim court order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Very much.
Me, please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 37 of today's list. I'm appearing for the Silchar Municipal Board here, respondent 2 and 3. I've taken the consent of the other side. Let it be fixed after 3 weeks.
Okay, Mr. S. Dr. Learned counsel appearing for the respondent Silchar Municipal Board to file affidavit
Affidavit.
has sought for and is granted 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent Silchar Municipal Board authorities. Full stop. Mr. The Learned counsel for the petitioner has expressed no objection to the said prayer. List the case after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the
Obliged.
office.
May please your lordship for listing the writ petition motion lordship, the eviction matter lordship,
Motion
motion on Friday lordship.
Friday.
So I beg to mention it for a listing of a contempt case. Some urgent matter may be listed next week.
Next week. Next week or next week? 20 did you?
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9.
9.
Yes, Lordship. The matter may kindly be adjourned for today and be listed after.
On the prayer of Mr. M.S.
H. Rahman.
H. Rahman. You are H. Rahman.
No, sir. Sir, N. Chaudhary.
And
Chaudhary.
Chaudhary, Learned counsel appearing for Mr. H. Rahman. Learned counsel for the petition. Case is passed for the day. Yes.
Item number 63, yesterday I had mentioned, my lord, it will be taken at 10:30 also. roughly 60.
Okay, there is hardly eight cases above you,
Yes, my lord.
not that 20, 30 cases.
That's item 23.
20?
23.
Yes, yes. MS Gayan. He has some difficulty.
Yes, madam.
Ah.
Well, I'll inform Das Gupta because.
Mr. P.
P. Mehta.
P. Mehta. I would listen. MS A. Gayan, Reliance Central Government Council, is in attendance and has no objection to the state prayers in view of the ground cited for adjournment. The prayer made on behalf of the petitioner is allowed. Leaves the case on 3-1.
There was an interim order to continue.
Interim order. The interim order passed silent. File shall continue till the next.
Matlab like, my lords.
Daily list for motion, item number 5.
May it please your lordship. My lord.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of R.K. Musari, standing counsel petition. My lord. The instruction has been received, my lord.
Received.
3 weeks time may be granted to file affidavit, my lord.
Okay. As thus, for the petitioners, any standing counsel, revenue?
My lord, only prayer is that, my lord, on the last occasion, my lord. Last occasion, my lord, notices, formal notices were not issued.
Not there, that is why.
Notice be issued, my lord.
Any standing counsel? Mr. or Miss? Who is there? Whose name should be recorded? Yes, Mr. Sharma. Revenue standing counsel, whose name should be recorded? MS and Bordelot. Standing counsel, Revenue Department for respondent number 1. Who is H. Borua? I have seen Mr. H. Borua. H. Borua. 1 and Mr. Rabha, you.
My lord, standing counsel BTC, man.
No. For whom? 1 and 2. Mr. S.R. Rabha, learned standing counsel BTC.
My lord, 3.
The respondent number
3, 4.
Mr. H. Sharma.
And also 7, my lord.
Okay, 7. Mr. H. Sharma. Learned.
6. Deputy.
And this is Assam Police.
Yes, right.
Assam Police, India Reserve.
Yes.
Okay. H.
Yes,
Sharma, learned additional senior government advocate Assam for the respondent number
5 and
6. The grievances of the petitioner is that their pathalans are in unauthorized occupation of the respondent number 5.
Yes,
right?
Yes.
Yes, Lord.
Okay. Mr. Rabha and standing counsel, BTC, who was asked to obtain instructions as to whether the report of the respondent number 7 has been submitted in the meantime. Kama has submitted that he has received the instructions and few weeks time be granted to file the counter affidavit. First of issue notice returnable on the December of date. As so and so appeared accepted. Notice, no formal notice. Extra copies within 2 working days. The respondent authorities in the BTC shall file its response in the meantime.
Into item number 7. Seven.
Yes.
Pass over the matter for the time being. 8. 1.
May it please your lordship. In this case, lordship, the respondent number 4 have constructed his building and extended this cantilever. Extended this cantilever.
Lordship, before he starts, Lordship, I want to point it out, Lordship, as because in the cause list only GA Assam is reflected. But Lordship, if your Lordship comes to page 3.
Page 3.
This is Lordship, the UDD lordship, we are not taking
Urban,
urban development. Padma
Okay.
আছে নাকি?
S. Bora.
I think Asbora or Padma Nayak is their lordship, and their names, whether this copies has been served upon them lordship, it is also not.
Then Mr. Babon, you serve copy to them in the meantime.
As because we have nothing to do here, only
Okay.
GA Assam.
Heard Mr.
D. Burman Lordship.
D. Bormon, learned counsel for the petition, and Mr. H. Sharma, learned petition senior government advocate Assam. Full stop. Mr. Sharma has submitted that the respondent number 1 is to be represented by the departmental standing council. As their name but their name is not reflected in the cause list. First of Mr. Bormon, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that he would serve the copy of the writ petition to the learned standing council. What is the present name? Name has been changed also.
Lordship, কোন আছে? Padma P Nayak is there.
Oh, no, Urban Development Department, that name has been changed also. That is what they are saying, right? Name has been changed also.
Housing affairs or something.
Something like that.
I.
This department is no longer there.
Lordship.
Okay, sir. Petition to the learned standing council of the respondent number 1 by today. Full stop. Place the case on next Wednesday. The name of learned standing council, Urban Affairs Department, be reflected in the respondent side in the cause list.
Item number-
Service of copy to the learned standing council service. Standing council of the respondent number 1.
Maybe, ma'am. Well, I was received a letter from the circle officer asking me to vacate my land as that was requisitioned for purpose of construction of 4-lane flyover at Bishan Charlie. But the notice does not disclose the area of land, there is nothing earmarked. So I submitted a representation in Annex 3 to inform me about the area which I am to vacate and the amount that I am to receive against that. But not.
You are Ajit Bora.
Yes.
Okay. What happens?
Notice was issued by the circle officer.
Mati. Please come to page 26. LAKS.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
I'm not opposing acquisition of land, my lord, but I have submitted representation.
26. Why is your name otherwise?
My lord, in
Where your name?
my lord, in my petition, I have stated in para.
No, in the list, you have annexed the list.
My lord, that I'm saying. Actually, the letter which I have received.
Come to page 26 first.
On 26, I'm saying, my lord. Actually, in my
Where is your name?
That is what I'm submitting, my lord. The notice which I issued in my name, that unfortunately got misplaced. And similar notice, of the same text is given to this person also. In my that I mentioned.
I am asking you, in page 26 and 27, where your name is reflected.
The notice which was issued to me in my name.
You are not answering my query. There are so many names. Is your name reflected here?
In the acquisition notice, my lord, at page number 25, my name is reflected.
Acquisition notice is at page 26. Again, I think same issue has cropped up. Rectification of the presentation. Directed rectification of presentation of the repetition has been done by the land council. Mr. Counsel, Annexer 3, and I come to Annexer 3. Page 25, right?
Yes, my lord.
No, page 20, not Annexer 3 is not page 25.
26.
28.
Annexer 3 is page 28, their representation. Annexer.
Oh, there is a order. LA case number, so there is a list.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
That list.
I am asking.
In our copy, lordship, it starts from page 24.
Huh?
In our copy, that list starts from page 24.
And my
Most
name is
probably
page 25.
presentation, there is wrong in the presentation.
Here it starts from page 26.
In page 26, our lordship, there is annexure 2, that is the translated copy of the letter of the circle officer, English translation.
English translation.
WBC 5808/2023.
1 minute.
Lordship.
The writ petition runs into how many pages first?
All total
29.
29 pages.
29.
Yes.
What is annexure 3? Annexure 3 is at page 28.
Annexure 3 is my representation, page 28, 29.
Is it page 28?
Lordship.
Okay. What is there in page 26 and 27?
26 is the translated copy of the letter issued by the circle officer, and 27 is the vernacular one.
My lord.
We don't have that. We have this one.
Yes, Lord. Then it is to be corrected, Lord. That one, we have that one.
And I am asking you about reflection of your name in this.
Yes.
In this, kindly see
So
the,
if you have different copy, what is there in page 26 in your repetition? Please tell me.
Only your lordship's copy.
26 is my lord.
What is, show it to me.
Trans,
Show it to me. Everything is wrong. Nothing has been rectified. Show your
I will
get
correct- I will-
satisfaction.
my lord, let me take it day after tomorrow. I will correct it. I will see.
No, this kind of second opportunity, this is not going to be granted.
Sir, may I check?
This kind of lackadaisical attitude is not going to be granted premium.
I am saying,
You highly repressed.
I'm saying, my lord.
You have wasted time. I am asking you that where your name is reflected from page 26. See page 26, Mr. Counsel. And you have been referring here and there. This annexure is part of your writ petition at page 26. If it is not, then you file FS. Because the second opportunity is not going to be granted. On the previous date, you have been granted opportunity to rectify the mistake.
My lord, page 23.
We are not going, if the paginations are wrong, we are not going to enter in. File it FS. Mr.
H.L. Maurya.
See page 26. Is it telling you your writ petition? And that important list is not marked as an annexure also. Take your time. Annex the annexures properly. File the writ petition FS. Mr. H. Morio, Learned Counsel for the petition, has submitted that the petition may be permitted to withdraw the writ petition in order to file FS. H. Sharma, N. Bodole, standing, P.R. Mohanto, Standing Counsel, Revenue Department, and Mr. H. Sharma, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate for the respondents are in attendance.
Lord.
In view of the above submission made by Mr. Morio, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, the writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal with the liberty to file FS. File proper petition.
Item number 11.
May I please tell you? My lord, our village is included in the Adarsha village scheme, my lord, as the Adarsha village, my lord. Accordingly, my lord, various schemes.
What about the observations made in the previous order?
Previous order, my lord.
Ah.
That
What about the observation?
That, my lord, observation that after puja, I have to submit that.
Hmm?
Like to submit after puja, whether it is a matter of the discussion of floor of assembly or not, my lord.
It appears that this is a matter which needs to be discussed in the floor of the State Assembly, not in a writ petition filed by invoking the jurisdiction of the court under Article 226 of the Constitution of India.
But-
So what is your case?
But my lord, there is a violation of the guidelines. The guidelines is certain by the Annexure 1.
What is also Gram Yojana?
Yes, my
Tell me.
Adarsha Gram Yojana page 14, my lord. There is a guidelines.
No, what is this scheme?
Scheme, my lord. There are some villages,
Development of villages in the state.
there are some villages where we selected
Model villages.
village. Adarsha village. Some villages. have been
Quality
selected-
public services. Okay, then this policy has been framed.
Policy has been.
Has
framed.
been framed.
Yes. As per
When it was framed? Which year?
which year this, my lord? This is the, my lord, page number. This, I read, my lord, page 17. Is the past guideline. The government of Assam has stressed on the need for holistic and all-round development of the villages in the state. Therefore, the development of villages, it envisages to create a model villages.
Right, that I have seen now. First 3 paragraphs I have seen. When this policy has been given into effect.
Effect, my lord, in 2020, my lord.
Huh?
Accordingly, my lord, page 58. Page
58.
58. The committee has been set up. 23rd February 2021.
58. What is this page 57? From Adarho, it is constitution, the following member for overall implementation of
Page
the work
27,
is selected
constitution
villages
of the
of
committee.
Karimganj district under the program Ahom Adarho Gram Yojana. Where is the provision for district level committee in the policy?
Policy, my lord, district level committee.
Page 26.
Page 26, my lord.
But shall be created a special institution for rigorous on-turn monitoring. Chairperson, so representative. Okay, that not a district committee has been constituted for Karimganj district.
Yes,
And what happened?
Thereafter, block level committee is also constituted. Village, my lord, village level committee is also.
Okay, Gormaria GP and Binodini GP.
Yes.
Okay,
Page 58, my lord.
yes, Gormaria GP and Binodini GP.
Vinodini GP.
Then,
Then, my lord, accordingly, our village, Eral Part 4, which has been included as the Adarsha village, page 59 and 59A, my lord.
59.
Yes, my lord. This is the type portion, original portion, page 59A, my lord.
With release with reference to the above
To the block development,
sanction and amount of rupees
49 lakhs in serial number 6, Eral Part 4.
against following number of selected villages under for the year. Now, Eral so and so, okay, you are requested to submit the proposal of schemes within the tune of rupees so and so in the village. Okay,
This 49 lakhs, my lord, as the Adarsha village, has been
sanctioned.
sanctioned and distributed in various schemes, page 60 and 60A, my lord, and 61. Distributed in various schemes, total 19 numbers of schemes, my lord. Total 19 numbers of schemes. And the, my lord,
Requested to all
these 19 numbers of schemes, my lord, have been the local MLA, my lord, who, my lord, prepared a list, my lord. And in this list, my lord, serial number 1, 8, 9, and serial number 15. These 4 schemes is not included in our villages. Accordingly, my lord, on the strength of this note given by the local MLA, page 62, my lord. the block development officer directed the secretary to prepare the schemes.
No. Requested to us all the same proposed by, in this connection, a meeting will be called and pass the resolution against the proposed scheme and submit the same to the undersigned as early as possible. So meeting will discuss and thereafter it will pass resolution. Resolution is yet to be passed. Who are you two?
My lord,
Who are you?
we are
Who are you?
my lord, citizens of these villages, Eral Part 4.
Let the resolution be passed. It is premature now.
No, my lord,
The committee has been entrusted, right? Some committee has been entrusted.
my lord, my submission, my lord, on the strength of this note of the MLA, that BDO has issued this order, my lord. So if
He
you-
has called a meeting and has observed that MLA has proposed certain number of schemes. Ultimately, authority is vested with a committee to pass resolution against the proposed scheme given by the MLA. The resolutions are yet to be passed. Resolutions are yet to be passed.
my lord,
So why you have jumped the gun?
we heard that, my lord, on the strength of this letter.
Premature. Only up to this stage, you have ever in this writ petition? Page 62? Page 62. Only up to this stage you have ever in this writ petition? No subsequent events? No subsequent events in this writ petition?
Subsequent event, my lord,
Have you ever or not?
we have award, my lord, orally, my lord, no written documents.
No,
my lord.
no, no.
62.
Any resolution is passed thereafter?
We heard that, my lord.
Hard will not do.
We heard that, my lord.
Hard will not do.
Without info, they are separately passing the resolution. They are separately, my lord, giving some, putting some signature, and without hearing the local villagers.
Find out by RTI, but this is not the way. And file a PIL if it is so. This is premature.
My lord, if this,
Hard, Mr. H.R. Sodre.
my lord, my submission, my lord, whether the page 62 documents,
When the committee constituted by the scheme is yet to take any decision on the schemes proposed by the MLA, then this repetition is expressly premature. Am I clear? He may propose, you may propose. You are indirectly proposing that scheme should be in our village.
but the video has.
You are indirectly proposing
But the video.
by this filing this writ petition. Let the committee constituted for the purpose do their job. If they do anything arbitrarily, then you can come. Let them do the job. Before taking any decision, you started filing writ petition. Let them do their job. If they do it illegally, then you come immediately. But on the basis that they will be holding a meeting to discuss the schemes proposed by the MLA, you have filed this writ petition.
My lord, my humble
Hard,
submission.
Mr. H.R.
My lord, my humble submission.
Council Part of Petitions.
Your lordship, you observe, my lord, given observation that after.
I am not.
After passing the resolution.
I am not.
we
This
are-
is not the way to do things. You file your RTA, get the information, then thereafter file that these schemes are not within our Adorfa village. That is a separate matter. Oh, when things are in at the proposal stage, you submit the writ petition. Now time has come to impose cost also. Cost of the petition and Mr.
I'm appealing for 1, 2, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 4, and 5.
Who is this Aspan Navas? 6?
6 with the MLA, my lord.
Petitioners and Mr. S. Dr. Learned Standing Council, Panchayat and Rural Development Department For the respondent number one,
2, 4, and 5.
4, and 5, and Mr. H. Sharma. Yes, Mr. Sharma, anything?
Because from that letter, page number 62, from that letter.
Learned Junior, Additional Senior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 3. The state government in the Transformation and Development Department has formulated a scheme, has conceived and formulated a scheme named quote unquote Ahom Adarsh Gram Yojana, page 37 or second paragraph. Full stop. For the purpose of development of villages, and the scheme envisages for creation of model villages where good quality public services, such as sanitation facilities, functional roads, drainage, reliable electricity, clean drinking water, schools and healthcare institutions are planned to provide, are being planned to provide to the citizens. Full stop. The aim of the scheme is not only to provide infrastructure and quality last mile service delivery, but also to empower the villages towards self-sustainable development. Full stop. The scheme has provided for a procedure for selection of 2 villages per assembly constituency and criteria for selection of revenue villages have been outlined in the state scheme. Full stop. The scheme also has also envisaged constitution of a district level committee as special institution for rigorous on-ground monitoring. Full stop. It also envisages a village constitution of a village level committee at a village level. Full stop. Para. The petitioner, the 2 petitioners hearing. Oh, politician.
No, my lord.
Politician.
One is, my lord,
Are residents of village Eral, Roman 4. Under Neelam Bazar Police Station?
Yes.
District Karimganj. Full stop. Para. It is ever that village Eral Romanpur has been selected to be, has been brought under the purview of the scheme, Ahom, so and so. Full stop. By a notification dated 22/01/2022, 22. The respondent number three has constituted a district level committee for overall implementation of works in the selected villages of district Karimganj under the scheme, Ahom Adarsh Gram Yojana. Thereafter, Deputy Commissioner, the respondent number 3 has been informed by the respondent number 4 on 23/2/2021 about constitution of two village committees in respect of two Gaon Panchayats, that's Gomoria Gaon Panchayat and Binudini Gaon Panchayat. Post of Para. The petitioner, the two petitioners, have instituted the present writ petition with the following prayers. Para, page 11. Para. The communication. Sorry, the letter. The letter dated 18/7/2023 of the respondent number 4, addressed to the secretary, Binudini Gaon Panchayat, was for convening, was about convening of a meeting of the village level committee for consideration of the schemes proposed under the scheme, Ahom so and so in respect of village Eral 4 under Binudini Gaon Panchayat by the concerned member of Legislative Assembly, South Karimganj LAC. Full stop. As from the letter, full stop, the schemes were proposed by the MLA of South Karimganj LAC by letter dated 1/6/2023, addressed to the respondent number 3. Full stop. Para. It is at this stage the petitioner, the two petitioners, the two petitioners have approached this court by this writ petition, assailing the letter dated 10/6/2023 MLA within bracket respondent number 6 bracket. And later dated 18/7/2023. The petitioner have not averred, the petitioners have not averred about any resolution passed by the concerned village level committee on the proposals submitted by the MLA, South Karimganj LAC. Full stop. As the writ petition is silent about the resolutions. Full stop. From the letter dated 18/7/2023, it emerges that the village level committee, a meeting of the village level committee was to be convened to consider the proposals submitted under the scheme so and so for village Eral Code by the MLA South Karimganj LAC. The petitioners are silent about any resolutions, any meeting convened thereof after the letter dated 18/7/2023, not to speak of any resolutions passed by the village level committee in respect of the proposals submitted under the scheme or Assam so and so in respect of Eral 4 by the MLA South Karimganj LAC. In the fact situation obtaining above, the writ petition is found to be premature and the same is not entitled.
Item number 12.
Made visual. Petition.
Yes.
May I submit your lordship? In this case, my lord, I have an instruction to appear on behalf of some of the private respondent, my lord. And even for one of the respondent, my lord, I have today filed a caveat, my lord, then only I can to know, my lord, this petition has been, my lord, listed, my lord. Can I pay for 1 day time, my lord? Only for the day, my lord.
It is up to you, Mr. Mohanto.
Because my lord, meeting is going to be held on, my lord, 14, my lord.
14.
14.
Yes.
Today is
Today's 8.
8.
My lord.
Tomorrow or day after tomorrow? Day after tomorrow?
Day after tomorrow.
Okay. Mr. T.J. Mohanto, Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. M.K. Hussain, Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. G. Bodoloi, Standing Counsel Cooperation Department for the respondent number 1 to
1 to 5.
1 to
7 and 8.
7 and 8. Are present. Mr. Borua, K. Borua. Counsel has submitted that he has received instructions to appear on behalf of the respondent number
10 and 11, my lord.
10 and 11. Full stop. He has submitted that he will file the necessary power by today
Lordship.
and has sought for listing of the writ petition on Friday. Mr. Mohanto, Senior Counsel for the petitioner, has agreed to the prayer made by Mr. Borua. This is the case accordingly on Friday.
For motion.
In the motion column, Mr. Hussain, and counsel assisting Mr. Mohanto, shall serve a copy of the writ petition along with annexes to Mr. Borua during the course of the day.
Item number 13. Wait.
কি হব না ঠিক Okay.
Page 23 is the policy.
Hmm?
19.
Page
23. It's called Assam State Film Policy 2019.
Yes, Kiman.
Page 23, madam. Which regulates production and running of the film.
Hmm?
This is
Assam
a
State
guide-
Policy Rules.
notification guiding production and subsequent promotion and running of a film. That is the policy. Page 28. Part of policy, clause 23.
Page 28.
20, clause 23.
Hmm.
How the share of money will be distributed among the producer and the exhibitors. Now there is one more party involved, that is called distributor, who distributes the film to the halls. That portion is not notified. How it will be appointed, what will be their share. And that is why, my lord, the distributors are, my lord, taking advantage, silence in the rules.
But this is a policy otherwise.
Policy.
Now, policy,
Now, so far
this
as
is for promotion support.
support.
Support and promotion. Now, how a policy is to be challenged?
No, I have not challenged the policy.
Huh.
My contention is that a policy requires to be amended extent of the role of the distributor.
How the court
No, but in
can
fact,
ask the policy making body
Lordship.
to amend
Yes.
the policy. Show me any law,
Yes,
any
no.
law.
My lord, I have annex, my lord. Communication, my lord.
Huh?
They have reacted to my one of my representation. Page 20.
That is all right. That is all right. But the broader issue is
Lordship.
how the court exercising read
No,
jurisdiction
my lord, I am not praying.
can
I'm-
ask the states to frame the policy in this manner
No, I'm not praying.
on the suggestion of a petitioner.
I'm not praying. Page 62 may be seen, my lord. I have made a made representation.
So what is your prayer first? Let us see.
Prayer to amend.
That is clearly impermissible.
In fact, my lord,
Policy, necessary direction to the respondents to make. We are not in a policy making position, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship, my lord, page 62 may be seen. My very limited prayer is, my lord, to act upon. They have
60.
my lord, in excess.
I have more to thinking about.
Reacting one of my representations, my lord. At page 22, they have made a communication that action are being taken at an early date.
So what demand of this going, who is that?
Respondent number 5, MS Goenka Enterprise.
This demand is his private demand to you.
Private. Because
10% commission out of your share.
Lordship. Plus 18%.
Whatever.
Lordship.
But all these are within the policy or outside the policy?
It is not mentioned in the policy. That is why, my lord, I have come before your lordship.
No, which is
Lordship.
the sharing, all these are for the wisdom of the state.
Yes, my lord. My lord, that is why, my
And
lord,
policy of a government is not to be ordinarily changed in a jurisdiction.
yes, my lord.
And court is not in a position or has the expertise that you frame this policy
No, my lord,
in
fact,
this manner,
since they have
amend the policy. These are not
not the matter.
within a domain of the
Yes.
read code.
But
These are framed by the experts.
that is why, my
in
lord,
the field.
my limited prayer is, my lord, for disposal of the litigation, directing the respondents to act upon
This is also
page
because this is a demand by one private person against you,
forward.
private person against you, private entity,
Lot.
some to the Messrs Enterprise,
In fact,
asking from you 10% share of your 50% share. This is a demand made by a private entity against a private entity. What to do? You resolve the matter, maybe a case of arbitration, all these things, but this is quite.
That is because my lord, there is no mention in the rules. In the rules, my lord, it is clearly mentioned. The share of
Making
the
communication is different thing, Mr. Sharma.
Only-
Making communication by page 62 is different thing. But question is exercise of the read
lordship. That is true, my lord. That is why, my lord,
read code.
my limited.
That
prayer
is
my lord,
what I am more concerned with. I am not concerned with your 10%, 50% share. Question is whether this code has the power.
my lord, only, my lord, my limited prayer is to.
Your first prayer is to be dismissed outrightly because we cannot direct to make necessary amendments in the Assam state policy. Second prayer is demand and some communications are made.
Lordship.
Why should I give mandamus to it?
No, mandamus, my lord, only some, my lord,
I am not satisfied, Mr.
because, my lord,
This is not the
in fact, my lord,
this is not the purpose of the read code.
in fact, my lord, the respondent number 3 has reacted.
If the policy is there, come to page 64.
Move is on.
No,
To fix
Mr.
the amount.
Mr. Sharma, page 64. Now I have seen.
Lord.
There is a rule also.
Lord.
And you
64 also, my lord, rule
50
indicates.
who will give this box office share? Who gives?
The producer. The petition.
No, come to page 64.
64, my lord.
Box office share. You are into which part? The
I'm
share part.
No.
Page 64. Come to page 64.
Page 64 is done. Page
You have
64
got 50%.
Yes, ma'am.
Now private enterprise is demanding 10% from your 50%.
Yes, because
What to do?
because the rule is silent.
Civil suit.
Because
Read. No. Everybody comes in the read code. Firstly, first pair is completely out of
liberty.
no liberties for filing a suit under section 9 of the CPC, no liberty is required.
No, my lord, not for filing of suit, my lord. Liberty to the respondent to take action as per page 62. What action they take, that will be, my lord.
Oh, we are not entering the repetition. Why should I?
Only that much, man.
No,
Without going to the
petitioner, I can only observe that petitioner does not want to praise this petition at this point of time, as he will be pursuing the matter with the respondents. Only that much I can observe. Yes, Mr. Sharma, policy I cannot, this court cannot amend.
And apart from the claim by a private party,
Move a private person's bill before the assembly. There is a provision. This is not the route. Move a private person's bill before the legislative assembly that you frame this policy in this manner, in this manner. Put the distributor's share in this manner.
In fact, my lord,
They may take cognizance of it and reframe the policy.
in fact, my
But
lord, they are taking it,
This route is not.
in fact, they are taking the initiative, my lord. But it will take.
I had Mr. S. Sarmano, and this second prayer is out of the policy. Yes, you may have a genuine claim, but this is not the way to seek relief. Yes, Mr. Sharma, anything? We can only observe that. We are not going into that. Otherwise, this first prayer
This is not the
is
appropriate forum.
not for the court to decide. Then all these are observed, then it will be to your detriment. You pursue the matter. And so far as claim of the distributor is concerned, get something from a civil court.
In fact, my lord, they are taking steps to reduce the, incorporate that part and reduce the RAM.
All your incentives also.
No, his contention is
But
that
Mr. S. Sharma, counsel for the petitioner. What is your submission now? I have expressed my mind.
No, it's.
If no submission is from your from your side, then I am dismissing.
I'll pursue, my lord, the authentic.
Otherwise, I am dismissing the limine. And Mr. H. Sharma.
1 and 3.
Additional senior government advocate Assam for the respondent number 1 and 3. Full stop. After the parties are heard, counsel for the parties are heard at some length. Full stop. Mr. Sharma, counsel for the petitioner has however submitted that the petitioner is not pressing the petition at this stage, in order to pursue his grievances before the state respondents. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Sharma, counsel for the petitioner, the writ petition is closed. As the petitioner would be pursuing his grievances before the state respondents.
Timing item number 7.
Wait, please.
Yes.
My lord, the petitioner before your lordships, my lord, is basically, my lord, aggrieved by the representation, my lord, at page 32, my lord. Non-disposal of the representation at page 32, my lord. Kindly say, my lord.
দখল কৰি আছে, so উচ্ছেদ কৰিব লাগে। Private
In fact, my lord, those
private
person, yes, my lord, those private persons had already, my lord, preferred a land appeal before the additional, my lord.
Okay, they have lost the case before the
ADC, my lord.
ADC,
So that,
and
that
that
was
makes it clear that the land
belongs
to you.
Yes, my lord.
That is one aspect.
My lord.
Second aspect is occupation and possession.
Yes, my lord.
For occupation and possession
My lord. Now, my lord,
by private person.
Yes.
So your pair in page 33, তেওঁলোকে দখল কৰি আছে আৰু তেওঁলোকক উচ্ছেদ কৰিব লাগে। Simple.
Now, my lord, the regulation.
Now tell me now, in such a situation, additional deputy commissioner can go to the plot of land which belongs to you and forcefully evict the private residence.
My lord, since, my lord, the
Simple. Can the additional deputy commissioner go to your plot of land and forcefully evict the private respondents impleaded in this writ petition. Who has encroached upon your land as an encroach, unauthorized
occupier. Now, my lord, regulation 165 provides some relief also, my lord.
Huh?
Regulation 165 of the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation.
Okay, let us see. 165. Have you quoted here 165?
No, my lord, I'm sorry.
No, Assam Land and Revenue Regulation. Okay.
Assam, the land laws of Assam, my lord, it is Assam Land and Revenue Regulation.
Revenue Regulation, এক নম্বর volume to cover. Okay, which one?
Regulation 165, my lord, 165 3A.
165
3A, my lord.
3A. This is within chapter 10. Part of chapter 10.
My lord.
And chapter 10 is travel belt. Travel belt. So 165A pertains to travel belt. Okay. So are you tribal?
No,
Whether the land is tribal belt?
no problem. Was I?
No.
Was I? No, no.
No. So 165A is not applicable. Tell me any other provision.
Well, here, well, in 3A, well, it is covered
Huh?
in the case of periodically settled land.
This is restoration of possession
My lord.
and confirmation of possession. Seeking eviction of a private party from the plot of land which is recorded in the name of the petitioner.
My lord.
So instead of the petitioner as the petitioner, he should be plaintiff
Plaintiff, my lord.
before a civil.
My lord, title four, my lord.
Am I clear? Heard, Mr.
Yeah.
We are not entertaining. Heard, Mr. Ashok.
Alternative remedy, my lord. Petitioner may be allowed to take alternative remedy, my lord. Petitioner may resort to alternative remedy, my lord.
Okay,
That part, my lord.
Mr. Ashok, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the petitioner is not pressing this writ petition, in order to avail alternative remedy permissible under the law. Full stop. We are not observing anything. Eviction. It will be clear that Mr. H. Sharma, Mr. J. Hendrik, you are for revenue.
Yes, Lord.
Mr. J. Hendrik, Standing Counsel Revenue Department for Respondent number 1, and Mr. H. Sharma,
2 and 3.
Additional Senior Government Advocate Assam for the Respondent number 2 and 3 are present, are also heard to serve in view of the above submission made by Mr. Hawk and Counsel for the petition. The petition is closed on withdrawal, with the liberty as sought for.
Supplementary list for motion item number 62.
Could you? Yes, on that day I put a query.
Yes, sir.
I put a query 62, right?
Yes, sir.
To the council that whether a writ court can become executing court or not. In view of section 6226(2) of the
Land acquisition.
let Mr. Mojumdar come. This is found to be not maintainable. He has to file executing petition. Because under 26(2), it is a judgment and decree. of the civil court. That is executable by the civil court. District judge. Yes, next.
Item number
For a
63.
timing. দুবার বা তিনবার মাতিব মাতিব
May I have please of lordship?
Yes.
Here in the instant case, my lord, both the petitioner are husband and wife, my lord. They have major, my lord, and I have also annexed the birth certificate of the my lord girl also, my lord. And your lordship kindly come to page 18, my lord. This is the marriage certificate, my lord.
Okay, what happened thereafter?
Thereafter, what happened, my lord? They married, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, on my lord, your lordship kindly come to the para 4 and 5, my lord. Everything will be clear, my lord.
So have you filed any FIR?
Yes, my lord.
Where is that? Against whom?
FIR is, my lord.
Wasim Ahmed.
Yes, my lord. First FIR has been filed, my lord. It was not accepted. Second, we filed an FIR on 2/11/2023, my lord.
Where is that?
It is, my lord, page 38, my lord. And it is a type copy and original.
Registered?
It was, my lord, directed by the, my lord, the DCP, my lord. DCP has received, my lord. That seal is available, my lord.
So you have filed this FIR before
Yes, ma'am.
Sanmari police station
Yes, my lord. Sanmari.
or before?
Sanmari police station, my lord. Because we live in Sanmari, my lord.
Okay, on 2/11.
2/11, my lord. Earlier we filed, that was not received, my lord.
Which one?
This one is, my lord. Page 36, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Henrik. Get instruction from the Sanmari police station
No,
whether
madam,
this
I-
FIR is registered or
I am not, my lord, that, my lord. My submission is something different, my lord. They are married, my lord, as per decision of the apex court, I will argue, my lord. They are married together as a husband and wife, my lord. My lord, what happened, my lord? The Alton Bazar police station, my lord, has, my lord, interfered our married life, my lord. Earlier, the girl was called to the police station. He was allowed go on PR bond, my lord. One after harassing, and in fact, my lord, family member of the petitioners, my lord, so petitioner number 1, my lord, with some other person who want to marry that girl, my lord. That is why I am saying paragraph 4 and 5, my
no,
lord.
basically your grievance is against whom?
Basically, I have a, my lord, one thing, I need a protection, my lord. As per decision of the apex court, my lord, this is not that type of protection, my lord, that bodyguard should be given, my lord. There is a judgment of the apex court, my lord. That, and second thing
Not
is
to
that, my lord,
interfere in peaceful.
that-
1 minute.
that, my
See,
lord,
and-
Polton Bazar police station shall not, my lord, interfere our married life, my lord. I am relying to see judgment.
No, we are into motion stage, Mr.
That is why I am asking the.
We can all observe
Because,
that
my
in
lord-
the meantime, we can ask Mr. Henrik to obtain instructions from the officer in charge this Paltan police station, and till that time there shall not be
Yes, my lord.
any coercive action without following the due procedure of law, and
Yes, my lord.
without following due procedure of law,
Yes, my lord.
and
M-
what kind of disturbance?
Yes, my lord. What kind of disturbance is that, my lord? They have, my lord, along with the Polton Bazar police station, I have stated all these things. And the girl is a very, my lord, from the rich family, my lord. And boy is from the poor family, my lord. So some other person I have stated in the FIR also, my lord, want to marry that particular girl, my lord.
So
They
that
try to
is
take-
why
that is why, my lord, they want to take away the girl from the, my lord, boy, my lord.
let us obtain also instruction from the respondent of court
Yes, my lord. One,
whether case has been registered and the status of the case.
another thing is that, my lord, I want something where they have necessary
I
protection.
understand your apprehension. That is
I
why
want
to negate all those,
Yes,
let us have the instruction from
Yes,
the
my lord.
respondent number 3 and 4,
Yes, my lord.
and there shall not be any coercive action
Yes,
without any
My lord,
According to the procedure of law from the respondent number 3 and the respondent
Yes, my
number
lord.
4.
Only one judgment I want to show. My lord. Yes.
Judgment is.
Respondent
the
number
last
No,
stage,
my lord,
Mr.
I'm
lordship,
I'm
they-
reading,
they have-
I'm reading one part, my lord.
my lord, that they filed an affair against, before that, my lord, the Sanmari police station. Now, my lord, the Fulton Bazaar police station, man, how can they come to, my lord, to disturb them? There might be, my lord, there's some, my
No,
lord,
my lord,
affair or
my
a complaint
So that
against the
the
person.
petitioner number 1 was allowed to go after executing a PR bond
Yes, my lord.
from Poltamuzar police station.
Yes, my lord.
So there is some connection, Mr.
Yes, my lord.
There is some connection. If the Poltamuzar police station has asked the petitioner number 1 to execute a PR bond, there is some connection.
Might be.
Paragraph 3, page 7, first 4 lines.
It will mean they are not.
Right. So he has made a categorical statement that there is a PR one execution.
Yes,
So the one affair was lost by the respondent number 5.
Right. So there is some connection of the Poltamuzar police station. So they are
Even
alleging
when-
harassment.
Yes, but even after filing of the writ petition, my lord, they are come to my house, my lord. Petitioner number 2 house, my lord. And my lord gave death threat, my lord. That is the important thing, my lord. I need protection, that protection. Your lordship kindly come to the para 10 of the Delhi High Court judgment, my lord. Following the judgment of the apex court, my lord, as order has been passed. I need para 10 that much, my lord. That when I called the police cell, my lord, rescue the petitioner, my lord. Because, my lord, due to high-handedness of the, my lord, them, my lord, we could not, my lord, lift.
Mr.
Yes, my lord.
Chaudhary,
Yes, ma'am.
we are asking Mr. Henry to obtain instruction within 7 days. Then thereafter we'll proceed according to it.
Even, my lord, day before yesterday also come. to
Find
our-
out. Find out till next Wednesday.
Till then, my lord, necessary police protection as per para 10, my lord. We shall call to the police station.
These are all final directions without
No,
verifying
I am
anything.
not from that, my lord.
Heard Mr. NNB Chaudhary. I have heard you enough.
There is specific torture, my lord. I have
Learned counsel for the petitioners. And Mr. J. Henry. Learned state counsel for the respondent number 1.
1 to 4.
Full stop. The 2 petitioners are the wife and the husband respectively. Full stop. It is stated that they are majors and they got married on 9/7/2023. Full stop. It has been averred that the respondent number 5, i.e. the mother of the petition, was opposed to such marriage. And full stop. In order to it has been contended that the respondent number 5, in order to harass the married couple, had lodged a complaint earlier before the Poltamuzar police station. Full stop. As a result of lodgement of such complaint by the respondent number 5 before the Poltamuzar police station, the petitioner number 1 had to execute a PR bond before the officer in charge, Poltamuzar police station, within bracket, respondent number 3, in presence of witnesses. Full stop. The petitioners have alleged that despite there has been constant harassment by police personnel attached to the Poltamuzar police station. Full stop. The petitioners have further alleged that the respondent number, at the behest of the respondent number 5, some other persons are also creating hindrances
They
and
cannot stay in their home also.
are giving threats to the married couple on a number of occasions. And there were occasions when those persons also intruded into the residence of the petitioners, right?
Yes, sir.
Full stop. The
Petitioner number
petitioner,
two, my lord.
the whatever, petitioner
Petitioner
number
number-
one is with petitioner number two.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Full stop. The petitioners who lodged the FIR complaint, the petitioner had earlier,
Petitioner number one, my lord.
the petition number two, page 37, the petition number two
Yes, sir.
had earlier lodged an information before the Sanmari police station when on 4/8/2023, but the statement information was not registered as a first information report. Full stop. As the harassment and disturbances continued in the subsequent period, also Commander petitioner number one
One fact is there, my lord.
What is,
Ma-
who is this petition number one, right? Page 42?
Yes, my lord.
Page 42?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
It is-
Petition number one has lodged
Yes, but
an ejahat
no.
before the respondent number
No.
four
Yes, sir. Petitioner.
on 4/11 to first information report before the respondent number four on 2/11/2023. Full stop. The petitioners are not aware. Oh, no. Oh. Okay. The petitioners are not aware as to whether the respondent number four has registered the same as a first information report till date. Full stop. With such projections, the petitioners have approached this court seeking relief against such alleged harassment and threats. Full stop. Where Mr. Henrik, Lion State Council, will obtain instructions from the respondent number three and the respondent number four as regards the alleged threats and harassments made comma mentioned herein above, comma, and as regards registration of any case on the basis of the first information report stated to have been lodged on 2/11/2023 before the respondent number four. Full stop. If any case is registered on the basis of the same, comma, a status report be also obtained as regards the same case. This is the case on Wednesday. Mr. Chaudhary, Lion Council part of petitioners, will furnish 2 copies of the writ petition to Mr. Hendik during the course of the day.
No, one.
There shall not, before that, having regard to the projections were made, comma, it is observed that there shall not be any coercive action.
Not to interfere married life of the petitioner, my lord.
There shall not be any. We don't know what is married life is a very broad definition.
My lord, my humble. That is why I want to
Very
say.
broad.
Whole life.
My lord, if you not say allow me, I want to something to say.
Very broad, very
Yes,
broad.
my lord. Yes, my lord. Married life, my lord.
Shall not take, shall not
because mother.
There shall not be any steps from the action from the end of the respondent number 3 and the respondent number 4.
4 is not interfere, my lord. 4 on 4 for protection, my lord.
3. 3.
3 and 5, my lord. That
3.
is the mother, my lord.
That is his.
My humble submission before your lordship, that I have at least produced my birth certificate.
It is not a case of habeas corpus, Mr.
No, my lord.
It is not a case of habeas corpus.
No, my lord. My humble submission is not.
The direction to a private
Yes, my lord.
lady,
Yes, my lord.
had
Then-
it been a habeas corpus,
Yes,
it,
Lord.
it could have been
I am
done.
submitting either way, my lord, that
That shall not-
necessary police protection
any
shall be
action,
given.
any action from the end of the respondent number 4 shall be only in accordance with law.
Yes, my lord. If
Any action from the respondent number 3, respondent number 3.
my submission is something different, my lord.
Mr.
That I have in my FIR stated how the girl has been one taken away and taken away to the Sipazar, my lord, tried to, my lord, cohabit, torture,
It's
cohabit.
part of the
that-
FIR,
Yes,
and
my
that is, you are not providing the information that whether case has been registered or not.
I'm not there. Future, my lord, I am not, could not stay in my house, my lord. Till today, I could not stay in my house. That is why I am submitting that if he,
You wait till Wednesday.
Wednesday, my lord, the girl will not be, my lord, they will be taken away, my lord. My humble submission before your lordship. Your lordship kindly go to the FIR, my lord. What, my lord, they have done, my lord. That is why I am saying that so Honorable Apex Court Judgment Para 10, my lord, has stated that they shall inform to the police shall take action not to interfere to the married life of the petitioner, my lord. I am married husband
Get
and
the
wife.
status report by Wednesday.
I'm
13 is holiday, otherwise I could have.
Lordship, fix it up.
13 is holiday, that is why.
I'm otherwise my
15.
married life cannot interfere, my lord. This violation of Article 21, my lord. Judgment of the Apex Court. my lord. That is why judgment of the Apex Court, my lord,
It is
stated, my lord.
only- We are concerned with
Yes, my lord.
life and liberty of the
Yes, my
petitioner, not married life.
Yes, life and liberty,
Right.
my lord. That is the life and liberty.
You are submitting married
my lord.
life. That is a
Married
very.
Yes, my lord. As per decision of the executive,
Wait till
married life
Wednesday,
is the
nothing
life
will
and
happen.
liberty of the petitioner under Article
If
21.
something happens, you are at liberty to move tomorrow or Friday also. Make a mention. I'm giving you that liberty. If something happens here.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Order stay vacating item number 14. Oh, good. Okay, তো আসা নাই।
14.
Kharagpur
40.
Municipal Board has filed
One
this,
four.
lordship, 14, item number 14.
40.
This same getting
Aye.
filed,
My lord, last chance was given today, lordship, because of illness.
Huh?
My lord, the petitioner's health.
this IA was
Who is
filed
for
on,
the petitioner? Who is for the IA?
I am
You are
for
for
the
the
IA.
petitioner.
I am for the petitioner.
And you
I
are
am
for
for
the private respondent.
yes, lordship, Kharagpur Municipal Board, lordship.
Okay,
So
right.
this IA was filed on 20.
Okay, what is the case in the brief petition?
Lordship,
Tell
the
me.
projected case of the petitioner is that he has constructed a house 3-story building in his land measuring 1 kotha 10 lesa of situated at bag number 1219. Lordship. But the respondents are contemplating to demolish his house, lordship. This is his projected case, lordship. So his basic case is that his house was constructed on in the premises of the bag number 1219, lordship. But lordship, now the circle officer has given a report, lordship. Lordship may peruse the page number 18 of IA, lordship.
My lord, before starting,
No, no.
Lordship,
Okay, I will see to your prayer. 18.
yes, sir.
Let
First,
me understand the case. Report, yes.
May President. With reference to the subject and reference cited above, I would like to inform you that on the basis of your document number so dated 4/11/2020 from the office of the Kharagpur Municipal Board and subsequent to notice issued by document number so of this office, the boundaries of government DAG number 1220 and 1225 of Kharagpur Moja and town have been demarcated, and as per the report of the Lord Mandal, during the process of demarcation of boundary in a part of the total land of 3 kotha 5 lesa in DAG number 1220, a RCC building was found to be standing on. it is seen that the said building has been used as business establishment and it is learned that the owner of the RCC building in Mohibur Rahman. So that means that he has exceeded his
Okay.
jurisdiction, Lordship, and thereby instead of the.
Whether he has any land,
Yes, Lordship. He has land, Lordship.
he has land.
Lordship. Lordship may peruse the Jama
What is,
Puri, Lordship.
huh,
Yes,
what is his case there in the writ petition? How much area he has?
1 kotha 10 lisa, Lordship.
He has 1 katha 10 less.
Yes, Lordship. In dag number 1219, Lordship.
1 to 1.
Yes.
So is it
And-
nearby 1220?
Yes,
Huh?
yes, Lordship.
How much area he is possessing?
He is 1 kotha 10 lisa, Lordship.
He is possessing 1
Lordship,
katha 10 less.
the map is
No,
page
no,
14.
I'm asking you, we are going into it. He otherwise is a patta holder of an area of land measuring 1 katha 10 less.
Yes.
Right. And that number is 1 to 1.
Yes.
And during field verification, it is found that a building is existing on DAG number 1220.
Yes.
And that building belongs to the petition.
It is.
Now, DAG number 1220, government land,
Yes.
and DAG number 1219, private land
Private.
belonging to petitioner are adjacent.
Yes,
Right.
case 49 is the.
Adjacent.
Yes.
So he is occupying how much area?
Lordship, he has constructed the house in directly one, apart
he
from
is-
this 1 kotha 10 lesa.
How much area he is in occupation? Is there any 1 katha 10 lesa vacant?
Lordship, it's 3 kotha.
No, is that what is the
Lordship, page
area?
44, page 44. 1220.
This DAG number 1220.
Page 44, Lordship.
Tell me, I am asking you, you are going into that.
3 kotha 5 lesa, Lordship.
Huh?
3 kotha 5 lesa.
Whether 3 katha 5 lesas are available in DAG number 1220?
Yes, yes.
Otherwise, so I am trying to find out whether his action was bona fide or mala fide.
Because he has.
Sometimes it may happen that he has constructed in a particular plot, bona fidely believing that it is his plot. Because he is the landowner of a plot of land.
Yes.
1219. Believing that 1220 is his land, he may have constructed it. And whether 1219 land is vacant, lying vacant, that is what I am asking.
Lordship, as per my information, Lordship, it is lying vacant.
Vacant.
Yes.
So it may be bona fide also.
But now,
It
Lordship,
is, he has constructed when it was constructed.
permission was given in the year 2003. Lordship.
2003.
Yes.
So it is also, you are not also protecting your plot of land
Yes. Now the
for
present.
20 years.
Now present.
No, that is why I am asking this 1 katha 1 lesa. Any area of 1 lesa is vacant nearby. See, you are also silent for 20 years. Suddenly you have found.
After coming by the present chairman, she has inquired and accordingly.
He is
demarcation was-
vigilant, but what about the other chairmen who were not vigilant for 20 years? Now, he has a building over there. It is not that he is an bona fide encroacher simpliciter. He has a plot of land nearby, an adjacent land, and 1 katha 10 lesa. He has constructed a building over a particular land. And after permission. And it may happen to anybody. I'm not saying that he is intentionally or not intentionally. It may happen to anybody. But if he has confined his activity during 1 katha 1 lesa, 10 lesa, it might be a case of bona fide mistake. And he has spent his money for construction of the building. So I am asking you, that is why, that whether this 1 katha 10 lesa falling under DAG number 1219 is vacant or not vacant? Or under the possession of the petitioner or not? Or whether things can be interchanged or not? Right?
Not.
Yes, Mr. Ahmed.
My lord, this is the parcel land.
No,
of the
tell me, I have made some
Lordship. Your
derivation. Now tell me
Yes, that may be happening.
whether it is the case.
My lord, in 2000
1219 is vacant.
My lord, nothing.
Huh?
Entire land is, my lord, that is patta land that is occupied by, my lord, the occupant's lordship.
No, you have not understood my point.
Lordship.
You have constructed the building, it is apparent.
Yes,
The building in DAG number 1220.
yes,
Right. But you are an owner of a land
Lord.
under DAG number 1219. Right? How much area is in your possession?
My lord, 1 kata 10 lesser lordship. 1 kata 10 lesser, that is my parcel land lordship. Total land in the DAG, my lord.
Mr. Sharma,
Lordship and.
whether this
Prior to that, lordship, may I place one thing? Lord? Page 57, running page.
of the writ petition,
Lordship, your lordship will get it an affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 5 and 6.
5 and 6.
Yes. That is the
Running
third part of
page?
it. Running page 57, as because the internal page is not reflected. here.
57.
That is the letter issued by the circle officer to the Kharupetia, President
In
Kharupetia.
the writ petition or in the IA?
No, lordship, in the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 5 and 6.
In a repeat.
5 and 6. 1 minute. Tell me what was the original number?
Original
internal page.
Internal page number is not reflected here, lordship. That's because
Is it an annexure?
annexure. Lord.
Okay. Annexure.
That is the
Annexure.
annexure 2, that is the vernacular one. Page
Okay, I'll
50
read the vernacular one.
Yes. Has your lordship got it? উপৰোক্ত বিষয় ও প্ৰসংগত আপোনাক জনাও যে খাৰুপেটীয়া পৌৰসভা কাৰ্যালয়ৰ আপোনাৰ নথি নাম্বাৰ সোয়েন্সৰ ভিত্তিত এই কাৰ্যালয়ৰ নথি নাম্বাৰ ইমানৰ জাননী মৰ্মে খাৰুপেটীয়া মৌজা আৰু টাউনৰ চৰকাৰী 1220 আৰু 1225 নম্বৰ দাগৰ মাটিৰ সীমা নিৰ্ধাৰণ কৰা হয় আৰু লাট মণ্ডলৰ প্ৰতিবেদন মৰ্মে সীমা নিৰ্ধাৰণ কৰা
The same document, Mr. Kolkata
Yes,
has
yes.
referred.
3 kotha 5 lesa. So he is occupying 3 kotha 5 lesa.
Oh,
Whereas according to him, it is 1 kotha 10 lesa.
he is an owner of
1 kota.
1 kotha 10 lesa. Then lordship, it's intentional apparently.
That is, I am
that
referring.
is
apparently.
intention. Then it is intention.
That
Yeah,
is, I am
lordship.
referring lordship, page 44 lordship. Page 44. Page 44 of the IA lordship.
Whole file to go there.
Page 44 of the IA.
Yes. Total land lordship. Dag number 1220. 3 kota 5 lesa. And lordship.
1220.
Yes, lordship.
Okay.
3 kota. And lordship, right hand side
3
Mondolo
kota,
Tuka.
3 kota, 5 lesser.
Yes, lordship. And Mondolo Tuka lordship, Reserve Gopsar.
Oh.
Lordship.
Yes.
Now this is.
Now it is clear. What is Gochar? What is Gochar?
Gopsar.
Because on an earlier occasion also,
Lordship, earlier occasion also lordship. Yes.
I tried to find out
Possibly
Gochar,
grazing
but
land.
revenue department is no.
Is it grazing land? Lordship?
In respect of our land.
That is also doubtful.
Gopinath Rodole.
No, Gopsar mane ki?
That the revenue department does not extend any assistance about that. Gochar and what was the other one? Gobat. Gorabat.
Oh,
Nobody is rendering any assistance, and more particularly revenue
Gochar.
department. See,
Gopsar.
now also silent. Nobody gives any assistance from the revenue. What is Gochar? If it is easier,
I will try to get lordship.
if it is easier, then absolutely no.
Go pasar means my lord go bar. This is go.
No, that I do not know unless and until
Lordship. Yes.
we have seen many one of Gorabat, for Gorabat,
Yes.
we have consulted many dictionaries. But revenue department is not coming up with any kind of assistance. So I have stopped asking.
Lordship, let me try to find it.
Yes, Mr. Ahmed, otherwise
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
clear cut case.
My lord, after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Three kathas you are under occupation.
My lord, that is
So-
why, my lord, I have to.
There are two possibilities.
Lordship.
If the building is within 1 katha 10 lesa, that could might be saved if you leave all other.
My lord, I have to.
occupation.
Yes, Lord. I have.
And if it is Gochar,
Yes.
and if Gochar is busier, then it is no case for you.
My lord, after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Lordship, in this, IA was filed on July, Lordship, and the last, Lordship may peruse the last order.
Question of demolition of a building is also involved. It is not simply land, Mr. Kolita. Nothing will happen. It has been running since 20 years. 15 days will not. Heaven will not fall within 15 days.
Lordship,
Right.
fix a date.
Lordship.
Yes, why you are not filing this?
My lord, my lord, petitioner is my lord paralysis patient, Lordship. He could not. Today morning also, Lordship. His health condition informed that his health condition is deteriorating.
Paralysis.
Yes, Lordship. Now, my lord, the 2 weeks, my lord, I'll take
Any
some
document?
documents also required. Lordship.
Otherwise, I will be taken up for disposal. We can take up.
After 2 weeks, some documents are also required to be, my lord.
Show me he is in paralysis.
My lord, on my mobile, my lord, this certificate
Okay.
was, my lord, sent, my lord, on WhatsApp, Lordship.
Okay. Send it to court master.
My lord,
Mr.
after 2 weeks,
I.
I'll file the file, Lordship.
K. Kolita. Learned counsel for the applicant, municipal board.
Yes.
Applicant, stroke, respondent, municipal board. Who is the Mr. M.H. Ahmed, applicants, huh?
Lordship.
M.H. Ahmed, counsel for the opposite party, that's opposite party number 1, that's repetition. And Miss
Two, 3
E.R.
and 4.
Montal and its pending counsel, revenue department for the respondent number, opposite party number 2. And Mr. H. Sharma,
2, 3 and 4.
learned additional senior government advocate Assam for the respondent number, opposite party number 2, 3, 4.
Oh, it is interlocutory.
3, 4, and 5.
In the interlocutory, yes, Lordship.
Only I am passing the
Lord-
order in
Lord.
I. Post of Mr. Kolita, learned counsel for the applicants. Page number, report
Lordship, 18,
50,
18.
18.
Internal page, na? এই নহয় অসমীয়াখন কোৱা।
Where is that report?
19, Lordship,
Circle officer.
19. So the 18 is the translated copy. 19 of the IA, Lordship.
9.
19 is the vernacular.
The petitioner had constructed a building, RCC building, in a plot of land in an area measuring 3 kathas 5 lesas, falling within lands under DAG number 1220. And the setback has been reflected from a report of the circle officer, Dolgaon Revenue Circle, dated, report dated 14/6/2020. Full stop. The petitioner, he has submitted that the petitioner, the opposite party number 1, that's writ petition, has claimed in the writ petition that he is an owner of a plot of land measuring 1 katha 10 lesas under DAG number 1219. And the said DAG number is an adjacent DAG number to DAG number 1220. Full stop. Mr. Sharma, the additional senior government advocate, has pointed to the Chita of surveyed village, within bracket, page number 44. to submit that the areas under tag number 1220 are reserved as Gopchar. Gopchar. Within bracket but. It is
Gobat
Gobat means Gopsar and Gorujua Mati.
Goposar.
Gopochar within bracket but. It's something isn't it? And thus the opposite party
Grazing.
dash or number one dash repetition is liable to be evicted.
My learned friend Lord yesterday it's a grazing way.
Gochar, my lord.
Goposar.
Goposar is grazing way, my lord.
Grazing. Where from we can get all these things? We are finding difficulties.
My lord.
In one case, I thought that it is something like that vizier, but ultimately, after some research, I find that it is not vizier.
My lord.
All this go means does not mean that all are vizier.
Yes, yes.
So Gopchar, where is the source?
There is a my lord, compilation of vernacular my lord, terms, my lord, translated into English. My lord, I will furnish it to the
Let us have the privilege
Yes, yes.
of looking into it.
My lord,
Is it so secret?
No, my lord. There is a book called
Mr. Ahmed, learned counsel, appearing for the opposite party number one, the petition has submitted that his client is suffering from paralysis and is undergoing treatment. First of all, he has sought for further 2 weeks' time as a last opportunity to file an objection to the interlocutory application. First of considering the grounds cited by Mr. Ahmed, the prayer is allowed. The prayer for filing objection is allowed as a last opportunity. Please the case, January, December, did you?
Yes, constructed nursing home also.
Huh?
Nursing home also.
Nursing home?
Yes,
What is the name of the nursing home?
Page 48, Lordship. Page
What is the
48
name of the nursing home?
Page 48 of the
What is the name of the nursing home?
I don't.
The municipal, while the permitted by the municipal authority.
Huh? What is the name of the nursing home?
I have to take instruction.
Huh?
I have to take instruction.
He is giving certificate from his own nursing home.
This is not.
Page 48, Lordship. 48 of the requisition, Lordship.
He is giving certificate from his own nursing home.
My lord, I was permitted to my lord.
The interim order passed that shall continue till the next day.
Much obliged.
Municipal board permit করেছে. You permit.
Applicant dash read petitioner. Who is opposite party number one, Mr. Hawk?
Well,
Which department? Opposite party number one, which department?
it's a doctor person. Actually, it should so him already it should be PWD to that matter. PWD to that. PWD road matter.
My lord, in the cause list, the name of finance and taxation department, this has been shown. ma'am.
Your read petition is wrong. There is no department for opposite party number, response number one. State of Assam represented by the Commission and Special Secretary to the Government of Assam. Which department? File amended memo in the read petition, Mr. Hawks. OP number.
Actually,
You represent Mr.
PWD
Gogoi.
road. My lord.
H. Borua.
My lord, it should be a PWD road, my lord.
File the amended read petition in the amended cross title
Cross-title,
in the
right.
read
Yes.
petition.
Aye.
OP number 1, 2, and 3. Full stop. This interlocutory application has been prepared seeking implement of the opposite party number 1 as a party respondent in the connected read petition, WBC number 4977/2023. So the applicant as the read petitioner has prepared the connected read petition seeking refund of GST
My lord.
Excess GST.
excess GST. Paid. Paid in connection with a contract work undertaken on behalf of the PWD. Also, it is averred that while preferring the writ petition, the applicant's writ petitioner has inadvertently did not implead the opposite party number 1-4 as a party respondent. Mr. Borua, learned counsel representing the opposite party number 1-3 has submitted that he has on the interlocutory application has averred that the opposite party number 1 is a necessary party for adjudication of the issues raised in the connected petition. First of all, Borua representing the opposite party number 1-3 has not disputed the fact that opposite party number 4 would be a necessary party in respect of the prayer made relief sought in the connected petition and does no objection to the prayer for impleadment. I have gone through the averments, statement and averments made in this interlocutory application and issues raised in the connected petition. Considering the statements and averments made in this interlocutory application and the issues raised involved in the connected petition, it appears that the opposite party number 4 is a necessary party for adjudication of the issues involved in the connected petition. Accordingly, the extent interlocutory application is allowed. Post of Mr. Hawk, learned counsel for the applicant writ petition, shall file amended clause title in terms of the notification dated so and so within 3 working days from today. Post of on filing of such amended clause title, the office is to make the necessary correction in the clause title of the connected writ petition and release the case thereafter.
16 and 17 similar way.
Same.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Obliged.
For admission item number 18.
What is the case about? What is the case?
My lord, it is found from the record.
Huh?
From the record, it is found that the police has submitted the final report. So the petitioner may be allowed, my lord, to, if necessary, to lodge the objection under the CRPC.
Yes, yes.
Before the learned CBM. If they rather so.
Gorsuk police station. Gorsuk police station.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Gorsuk police station.
Submitted final report.
I have seen from the record.
Record.
In the record, there is a
One
report of the police.
One
officer.
minute. Okay.
Case may be closed, my lord, by observing that the petitioner may be at liberty, if necessary, to file objection to the.
Mr. R. Fakia. R.C. Fakia.
One.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. J. Henrik. Learned Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 1 to
4 lawsuit.
Full stop. The writ petition was preferred, alleging inaction on the part of the state respondents in taking action against the respondent number 5 to 7 in connection with Gorsuk Police Station case number 16/2014, registered under section 447 Indian Penal Code, RW section 5C and 5D of the Assam Land Grabbing within bracket Prohibition Act, 2010, and the Assam Land Grabbing within bracket Prohibition Rules, 2013. Full stop. Mr. Shoikia, learned counsel for the petitioner, by referring to a communication bearing memo number. Bearing memo number so and so dated 9/11/2018 of the Deputy Commissioner of Police within bracket crime, Guwahati, placed on record by the learned State Council, has submitted that a final report. No, in connection with Gorsuk Police Station case number 16/2014, a final report being Gorsuk Police Station final report number 191 dated 29/4/2017 has already been submitted. Full stop. He has further submitted that in view of submission of final report, the petitioner will take necessary steps for appropriate relief under the provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973.
Yes.
Full stop. With such submission, Mr. Shoikia has submitted that the writ petition can be closed, in order to avail the appropriate remedy by the petitioner under the law. Full stop. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Shoikia, learned counsel for the petitioner, the petition is closed, reserving the liberty to the petitioner to take appropriate steps available to the petitioner under the law.
Items 19 and 20. My lord, in terms of the order dated 26/8/22, my lord.
Oh, that one. Gandhi Smarro.
Yes.
Oh, it is not
Considering
listed. It is not listed thereafter.
possibly. Ever 23/9 it was listed.
Almost more than 1 year.
Yes.
Yes, Revenue Department was supposed to file an affidavit.
My lord, we
We
have,
understand.
we have communicated to the department. Now department has in turn, my lord, sought instructions from the deputy commissioner, who is the custodian of all the records. Now perhaps that is not forthcoming from the deputy commissioner. We are in touch with the department, my lord. Lordship may otherwise, my lord, if Lordship finds it possible, may direct the deputy commissioner to produce the records. That will cleanse the.
Records were earlier produced.
Once it was produced.
Yes.
Once it was
records will
produced,
speak-
but I want to know the Revenue Department stand.
Because, my lord, the.
Revenue Department stand.
My lord, there is no dispute on one count that there is an encroachment
Yes.
by the other petitioner in respect of the land which has been allotted to us.
Yes.
Now, in that view of the position, my lord, Revenue Department should clarify the position. Otherwise, my lord, we are throwing mud at each other without there being any reason. Let Revenue
And,
Department clarify the position, my lord. If Revenue Department, my lord.
Now I remember that after allotment, you have also
entered into some
entered into
agreement.
something which
Yes.
is
Which is not
which-
in my lord.
which this
Correct.
is found
Anyway, my lord, that did
somewhat
not,
disturbing.
no, that did not materialize. No, I agree, my lord.
Whatever.
Yes.
Materialize is one thing.
Yes.
Entering into an agreement.
Yes, yes.
Of
That
such
was,
kind
that
is
was
another thing.
certainly, that was certainly
court
not in,
was-
yes.
At that point of time was taking some serious view. I'm disclosing my mind.
No, correct. I do agree, my lord.
So revenue department's response is required because
Yes.
it is prime land. You are distributing, you are okay. You are distributing in a like manner, will accept.
Yes.
No, my lord, yes, here, my lord, at one point of time, my lord, the proposal was moved to the revenue department. Whereby, my lord, the land was allotted to Gadway
Proposal was from top or from bottom?
from the deputy commissioner, because proposal always comes
Let
from the
us
deputy.
File your affidavit.
Lordship, that-
File your affidavit.
Lordship,
Possibly lordship wants to know, my lord, because of the intervening developments, whether revenue department would still like to maintain the earlier step.
because here admittedly only the circle officer has filed an affidavit. Now, Lordship, the predicament or the part of the department is that department is not the custodians of the land records. It is the.
Policy is framed by revenue department,
Absolutely,
Mr.
absolutely.
Borpujari,
Regarding allotment of land, it was government's policy, not deputy commissioner.
not deputy commissioner. So I want to know the stand of the deputy revenue department. I have seen in none of the cases almost.
My lord, regarding compliance of 95A, that is one part of it.
One
But otherwise, my lord, basically it is the revenue department stand which will be decisive.
Okay, Ken Chowdhury, Senior Counsel. For the petition in WBC 463/2015, K. Kolita for the petition in WBC 1236/2017, R. Borpujari, Standing Counsel Revenue, and J. Henry Clark, Junior Government Advocate Assam for the other state response. Mr. Borpujari, Standing Counsel Revenue Department, who was asked by the previous order dated 23/9/2022 to file and counter affidavit. No, by ordered it 26/8/2022, was asked to file an affidavit from the Revenue Department, has submitted that despite
My lord, we have
elapse
communicated.
of 1 year,
Yes.
more than 1 year, he has not yet received the necessary instructions from the Revenue Department to file the counter affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
He has again sought for
Lordship will kindly grant me 4 weeks time. And
4 weeks time
Yes, and Lordship will also
to
pass a
file
strict search.
to enable him to obtain instructions in the matter and to file counter affidavit as a last opportunity to stop. The prayer made by Mr. Borpujari is allowed to stop with the observation that in the event no counter affidavit is filed on behalf of the respondent department on or before the next date of listing, the court may consider about passing order for appearance of the competent authority from the revenue department.
Yes. Yes.
Release the case on December sometime.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
13/12.
Yeah. I'm obliged, my lord.
And number 21.
Promote Patodia. Promote Patodia.
May it please the lordship, my lord.
What is the case?
The lordship, this application was filed in 2021, my lord.
Huh.
The respondents, my lord, they have not filed any affidavit in opposition.
Drugs petitioner to appoint registered pharmacist. Pharmacist. Yes.
Petition.
Health.
Lordship will be filing Lordship within 2 weeks, Lordship.
P.K. Garodia. For a petitioner, Mr. D. Upamanyu, Standing Counsel.
Health Department.
Health and Family Welfare Department. For all the respondents. Mr. Gogoi on a previous date had
Lordship,
informed
he is
the
on
court
leave.
that this Assam Pharmacy Council
Yes.
is almost defunct. Non-functional.
Lordship, I'll get the information. in-
Mr. Upoinal and Standing Council, Health and Family Welfare Department has prayed for further 3 weeks' time to obtain instructions and to file counter affidavit on behalf of the respondents. To stop. The prayer is allowed is the case after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the office. The earlier order of status quo in respect of the operation of the pharmacy of the petitioner shall continue to the next paper.
Highly obliged.
Item number 22.
My pleasure, Lordship.
22.
Lordship, this matter was led by my earlier senior Honorable Justice D. Burroy, Lordship. After that, I don't have the necessary instruction from the petitioner, Lordship. So, Lordship, grant me some time, I'll obtain the necessary instruction and update the Honorable Court, Lordship. 1 week time.
May I submit, my lord? I am appearing for the respondents here. My lord, the suit has already proceeded, my lord. It is in this, my lord, the main suit has already proceeded.
No, what is the case
They
about?
have come against an order of not granting ex parte injunction in their application under Order 39, Rule 1 and 2, my lord. They again moved an application for appeal. There also, they were rejected ex parte interim injunction. And then under
No, this is
227.
this is for what?
This is for, they are praying for status quo, my lord, and an order was granted by this honorable court on this application under 227.
Is it 227?
Yes, my lord.
Actually, presently, the brief is not in my hand, Your Lordship. So, the brief is not in my hand, Your Lordship. Currently. So, I couldn't update this court, Your Lordship.
Carbon. Okay, Mr. A.I. Ali. Or Mr. A.I. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. H. Burraghoin,
My lord.
learned petitioners, and Mr. H. Burraghoin, learned counsel for the respondent poster. Mr. Ali, learned counsel preparing for the petitioners, has submitted that he has the brief of the case. He has not been able to trace out the brief of the case and has sought and also has lost contact with the client.
Yes, Lord. I'm not.
He has paid for listing of the case after 2 weeks. Yes, Mr. Burraghoin.
My lord, otherwise, my lord, the orders that they have challenged here, my lord, maybe today my friend will not be in a position to get any instruction, then this matter can be remanded back to the appellate authority or to the, my lord, the trial court below, because we haven't been given a chance to file our objections in the application under Order 39, Rule 1 and 2. Immediately for not granting them the ex parte status quo order, they move this court, my lord.
Okay.
That is the difficulty. So
Let him have the
yes, my
instructions.
lord, they can have the instruction.
Okay. Mr. Release the case after 2 weeks.
I'm obliged, my lord. Deeply obliged.
Item number 33.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. MS, yes, Bowman.
My lord.
This is what?
Matter pertaining to
Pension.
pension. One is under, so,
The Learned Central Government Council is also
yes, no one is.
absent today on call. MS Bormon, M. Bormon, Learned Junior Government Advocate for us.
Please, yeah. 33.
Oh, my lord, this is a urgent case actually. I was standing there only, you have seen. This is the pension case. This petition is the daughter of, continue. This is a daughter of freedom fighter. And freedom fighter, his father was receiving SS Kibulas pension, that is Sainik Sanman pension. Swatanta Sainik Sanman pension. And
Who
after-
was the original pensioner?
Lavakanta Bailung. Just I'll say Lavakanta Bailung is the father of petitioner. Lavakanta Bailung was getting Kibulas pension, that is Swatanta Sanman's Sainik Sanman pension, my lords. Thereafter, after his death, wife is getting up to 12 December 2012. After death of wife, that is mother of the petitioner. Now petitioner being an unmarried daughter and unemployed daughter, she is also entitled for this as per circular. Now, accordingly, from 2012 December onward, he was there, this father was getting two pensions. One pension is from state, one is from central quota. From 2012 onward, petitioner is getting state pension. But she is not getting pension for central quota. That is why I'm before lordship now. Now, because this is some time will be required, I'll argue the matter that my learned friend has filed affidavit on behalf of central government. That is,
What is the stand there?
according to their stand, my lord, there's a total notification. In nutshell, I'm saying that according to them, as per 14 circular, as soon as father or mother is dying, she has to apply to bank within 6 months. Within 6 months. If she or he has not filing within 6 months, thereafter he has to file to the ministry through district magistrate, meaning thereby here it is deputy commissioner. Deputy commissioner you have filed. According to them, they have not received the same information. Same information they have received. According to them, they are filing application. From the date of application, they will allow me. Now question will be coming here, my lord, regarding arrear. Because that particular period to today, suppose I am filing as per your lordship order, file application, they will give me pension from today onwards. But what is with my arrear? Whether it's in my fault or fault of citizen. That is to be seen here.
When do you want?
That apart, my lord, another part, 2014 circular, whether it will govern or not in field. Because I am on 12. That time another circular was governing.
So when do you want?
No, because today itself it is today itself it is. No.
I will fix it on a hearing date then.
On Tuesday, my lord.
If you are
Because it is
working
the
on-
urgent unmarried daughter, my lord, it is the unemployed. She is suffering from disease also. And this is the last hope for this one. Tuesday, my lord.
Yes, MS Devi, easy to understand that
Okay.
in the event the
She has to
petitioner files an application,
Yes, Lordship.
she will only get it prospectively or also from the retrospective effect.
From the date of application, Lordship, they will consider whether she is entitled to such Lordship pension
If
or
she is
not.
entitled,
Entitled
then whether it will be only prospective or retrospective also.
from the date of her application, Lordship. Not, she will not, cannot claim arrear pension, Lordship, from 2012.
That is the point to be decided, my
Okay.
lord. That is the point is because I have filed application before the deputy commissioner in 2012, which order was there 2013 itself. That time it was that circular was not governing in the field because filing this one. That is why
30/11 Thursday,
30,
30/11 Thursday,
little early.
early.
Tuesday, next Tuesday, my lord.
No, Tuesday, many matters.
Or holiday maybe. Next
You
Tuesday
can have
means
it
the
on
next
23rd,
Saturday.
23rd.
Yeah.
23rd or 21st? 21st.
24. Maybe my lord, 21st.
Okay,
Then,
Mr. C. Burwal and Council for the petition.
but endeavor will shall finalize the
And
admission itself.
that is all, with that intention only we will
Yes,
be
my lord,
fixing it
that's
on
it.
Tuesday. And MSRDB. Learn it. Central Government Council have sought for listing of the case on 21/11/2023. As for place the case on 21.
All right. Item number 34.
Here also, my lord, this matter also.
34.
34 also, one hearing will be required, my lord. Because this matter, though it is a 2023 matter, but it is pending from 2012 onwards. Then this matter. when
What is the case
defending-
about?
My lord,
What is the case about?
case about my lord, land acquisition was conducted. This government has acquisition the land from Soru Sajai, where now field is there. This my land is acquired. That time, it was there, in place of that land, I'll be given land in North Guwahati area. Accordingly, they have filed this application. This earlier, this petition was, direction was there. As this land was be given, you give them decision. But they have not given the land. But in the meantime, whatever, my lord, time is over, contempt also is gone up. Now again, I'm filing for decision. Now also situation is coming that authorities saying, DC is saying the land is available. But by affidavit, now another affidavit is come in this case, that land is not available. But earlier decision.
When do you want then?
Maybe also this is because it is a pending matter who was defending it. This is been
Today,
elevated to bench also.
Okay, today, if you are ready,
My lord,
if you are ready today, we can
ready
hear
to?
you. We can hear.
Hey, now?
Huh?
Oh, yes, I can.
Yes,
But,
and it's-
Lordship,
there
in
has
this
been a
matter, the government has filed an affidavit in opposition, Your Lordship. There, Your Lordship, the annexure has been, there is an annexure, Your Lordship, there is a legal opinion provided by the learned advocate general, Your Lordship. There, if Your Lordship may have found it, page 174, the last page. Lordship, it is-
Shall we proceed with the issue or not?
Or maybe taken on Tuesday, my lord. Because
Not this Tuesday, already matters are fixed.
then Thursday, next week.
No. Cannot go on fixing like that.
That's why now I'm ready.
You are ready or not?
I am not fully prepared with.
Huh?
I'm not fully prepared with the matter.
Not prepared.
Hmm.
How much time you need to prepare?
She may fix it.
Okay. 2020. Okay, Mr. C. Borrell, our counsel for the petitioner is present on the prayer of Mr. N. Borrell, MS N. Borrell, and standing house Revenue Department leaves the case on 20.
Item number 35.
Amount of delivery, petitioner in person, B. Bucha.
First petitioner is not represented.
Who has said that?
Petitioner number 2 is a female person.
You cannot represent other. I said I am petitioner in person and file an application for direction to the
before-
government for taking.
Before my learned friend starts, sorry, the petitioner in person starts. Well, there are two petitioners, petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2. He is petitioner number 2. But petitioner number 1 is not represented. He cannot represent petitioner number 1. He is not an advocate.
Right.
Just making this position clear.
My lord, I am representing myself only. Already in the earlier occasion, Honorable Court has clarified that, and accordingly, once legal counsel has already been hired, but today he is out of station. Just because of that, he is not able to
Who
present.
is this counsel?
Mr. Ravi Sharma. He is in Calcutta, actually. I have contacted him, but he is in Calcutta. Just because of that reason, he is not present here.
What is this? There are two petitioners. One is represented by counsel, the other is
No,
represented
actually, on the
in
first day,
person.
on the first day, we both are there here in this court. The Honorable Court says that only one will make the submission. Accordingly, I have made the submission. But on after 4 or 5 dates, Honorable Court says that petitioner number 1 should be represented by a counsel or by
Yes.
himself. So he is represented by a counsel. As he is not present in the station, I am making my submission, Lordship, and
No, that piecemeal basis will not do.
no, my lord, we are joint complainants.
You are joint complaint as a petitioner in person, you can represent what Mr. Chaudhary has contended. Is that only yourself?
Yes, sir.
Since you are not an advocate under the Advocates Act, you cannot represent the cause of the petition number 1.
No, yes, my lord.
And secondly, that the one person is already representing the respondent number, petition number 1.
Yes, my lord.
Is he, did he appear anytime?
Yes, on the first
Earlier?
date, on the first date, he is personally appeared in this court.
Then?
Then after the court says only one person is will submit the make the
Wait,
submission
which order? Which order?
on the first day, very first day.
Very first.
on 20 March.
On the very first day that Hemanta Devi appeared in person,
Yes, sir.
he appeared.
Yes, madam.
Then he stopped appearing.
No, on that day, honorable court says only one person is allowed to speak here. Then he was
Allowed
there.
to speak is one thing, mister. On a next date, registry to indicate that the petitioners are appearing in person.
Yes, madam.
Then from the subsequent date, only you are appearing.
Yes, my lord.
The other person is missing.
When the court, my lord, when the court has observed that,
Where
accordingly,
observation?
yeah, accordingly, Wakalatnama has been filed, my lord, on 24th of July. Honorable court verbally informed that to me. And accordingly, I have conveyed the same to Mr. Devri, and accordingly, Wakalatnama was filed by Mr. Sadma.
Sarma. Sarma. Wakalatnama is filed. No. That is good. No Kalatnama.
My lord, on 22nd November, it is filed.
22nd
November, September.
September of which? 2022, 2023.
23.
22nd
22nd
November.
September.
September. Nothing is there.
So it is in already in
Which way?
E-court, it is already been reflected.
What? There is nothing.
It is already reflecting in the E-court, my lord. In E-court is serial number 9 on 22nd September. R. Salma Wakalatnama is reflecting.
What does it? Didn't I do?
And it is also reflecting in the cause list, my lord.
Recorded 9. Okay. Okay, 22nd September.
Yes.
Now where is he?
He is in Calcutta today, my lord. Yes, my lord.
He could have attended it through VC.
I have to call him, my lord.
If he does not appear, then we'll stuck of his name. You espouse your own cause. No
Yes,
issue.
that's why I am submitting, because I have submitted the affidavit in reply and everything. So I will make my submission, my lord.
And when he'll be heard?
So whether, because on
When
earlier
you have filed this petition jointly
yes, my
and
lord.
have decided to go on your own wage,
No, my lord, actually,
Mr.
yes, my lord.
Petitioner in person.
Yes, my lord.
Now we have to hear two persons, one as a petitioner in person, one as one legal counsel. Why should we hear both of them in piecemeal basis?
My lord,
Here
I
the
did not make
opportunity
submission
to
on
appear
behalf
through
of
VC
him.
also. After coming to the court, don't make such calls.
No, my lord, that is my submission. I am not making any submission on behalf of petitioner number
And we will
1.
not hear, otherwise you will stuck up his name. Petition number 1's name from the area of petitioners.
My lord, you may kindly grant some time, because he is out of station. I cannot make any comment. Fix any date on the next week. My
Yes,
lord,
Mr.
because already
Otherwise you will
submission has
strike
been
off
done.
his name if does not appear. Mr. He will be heard. Nowadays opportunities are there.
Yes, yes.
counsel
So
from
they say anybody can appear, yes, yes.
heard Mr. B. Bucha,
Yes, my lord.
the petitioner in person. Who is the petitioner number 2?
Yes,
Two.
my lord. Yes, my lord.
In the writ petition. Full stop. It is noticed that the petition number 1 is represented by a learned counsel, who had submitted the power on 22/9/2022.
This issue for the open the KCA and maintain.
The said learned counsel representing the petition number 1 is found absent today on call.
Oh, yes.
Mr. Ken Chaudhary, learned senior counsel. Oh, there are others. Mr. J. Hendik, learned junior government advocate Assam for the respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4. And Mr. Ken Chaudhary, learned senior counsel assisted by Mr. B.D. representing the respondent number 5 are present. Full stop. As the petition number 1 is found not represented today on call, let the case be listed. Yes, convenient, tell me.
Let it be on 23rd, my lord.
23rd, 23/11/2023, with the observation that if the petition number 1 is found not represented on the next date of listing, the
My lord-
petition name of the petition number 1, court will consider about the continuance of the repetition with the petition number 1 as a writ petition.
And there's one more thing, my lord. By order dated 12/6/23, the maintainability of the writ petition was kept open. That aspect.
The issue of
Twelve 6/23 second para, my lord.
issue of maintainability,
My lord, the
indicated in the order dated 12/6/2023, is kept open, left open for consideration.
only already the judgment.
23/11.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Item number 36.
Joinal Avedin. Yes, where is Mr. Gogoi? Not B. Gogoi, K. Gogoi. K. Gogoi. Or Mr. Hendik? That circle officer is circle officer is not providing information, right?
Yes, my lord.
So Gogoi submitted on the other day that he will obtain instructions from the
We
circle
already been
officer.
communicated, lordship, whether any instruction has been received by him or not, I do not know. So let me take.
Okay, we'll take up at 2. Ask Mr. Gogoi to be present.
Lord. That inform Mr. Gogoi, my lord, he has not received any instruction. Lordship, may kindly be given some time, lordship.
Yes, Mr. Heard Mr. Asana, learned counsel for the petitioner, post of Mr. J. Hendrik, learned counsel, junior government advocate Assam, appearing for aspiring number 2 and 3, has submitted that he has not yet received any instructions in reference to the order dated 11/4/2023. Whose of years sought for further 10 days time to obtain the instructions. Place the case after 2 weeks on a date 2 weeks per office.
Item number 38.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, kindly see the last order dated 18/10/2023.
Yes, where is Mr. Chulia?
Lordship, today Mr. Chalia has not come to court, but B. Gugoi will be handling this matter. He's on legs, sir, Lordship.
Okay, let Mr. Gugoi come. B. Gugoi.
Item number 40.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, in this case, the police tried to contact me due to some miscommunication. They have received my phone number, so they were trying to contact me. And they're trying to, they were visiting my house in search of me. There was some miscommunication.
So order has been passed that OC Satgaon is directed not to give any direction to the petition unless section 41A. Then what is your submission now today?
We have not received any summon, but we have come to know that there was some miscommunication. And so for that, they have received my number and they were trying to contact me.
Yes, Mr. Henry. Petitioner's allegation is that police personnel is making mobile phone calls to the petitioner, though no case has been registered against him. So you were asked to obtain instruction
Lordship,
about the identity of the person who is making the calls from that particular phone number. By the previous order.
order dated Lordship 2024/5.
Yes,
Lordship, I have received some instruction.
let us see.
41 okay na?
Wait, wait. Yes, MS Council, you can go through this report. There was some allegation by, some complaint by your business partner, Kalachan Singha.
But no. FIR
There was
hasn't-
business dispute between you and Kalachan Singha. Some money dispute. He has lodged the complaint. So for the purpose of inquiry, you were called by the police officer to attend the police station, whether there is any case is made out about the threat. Otherwise, the case appears to be of civil nature. So go read it, then take your call. Just let her read to the inquiry report. Okay. We'll take up on Friday. We'll take up on Friday or next week. Okay. Mr. MS
A Bora.
A.
A Bora.
A. Bora. Heard MS A. Bora, learned counsel for the petition, and Mr. J. Hendrik, learned government advocate for all the respondents. Full stop. Mr. Hendrik. Junior government advocate has submitted that he has received a report from the officer in charge or a deputy?
Probably the Deputy Commissioner of Police Crime. Lord.
Deputy Commissioner of Police within bracket crime, Guwahati.
Lordship.
Guwahati. Full stop. As regards in deference to the order dated 24/5/2023. Full stop. MS the Bora, Learned counsel for the petition, may go through the contents of the report, said report, and full stop. MS Bora, on the pair of MS Bora, Learned counsel for the petition, is the case on next Friday to enable her to make submission after going through the contents of the report. Leave the case on accordingly on stress.
Item number
Go
41.
through it. No police case has been registered till date.
41.
May I please lordship? My lord, this matter is relating to the VCDC in the BTC area. My lord, in this case, the impugn VCDC has been constituted with a matter of dead person, dead member, and still illegally functioning, my lord. So on last occasion, the honorable court.
8%.
Yes, my lord.
Who is it? Constitution?
My lord, instruction was received this morning, my lord. I would like to file affidavit, my lord.
My lord, kindly see page 19.
What is the grievance? What is the grievance?
So my grievance is, my lord, my committee has been resolved without any showing notice, and the impugn committee has been instituted.
No, which is VCDC? Your name was included when?
My lord, kindly see page 18, Annexa A.
18. Your serial number?
So I am the chairman, my lord. Serial number Hassan Ali.
Hassan Ali.
Hassan Ali.
Okay.
I was the chairman in this VCDC, my lord. So it has been resolved.
When?
My lord, kindly see Annexa B next page. The fight notification dated 13 February 23, my lord.
Okay.
The D has been constituted under the chairmanship of-
Reconstitution. Now, what is the term of the VC committee?
5
VCDC
years.
committee?
5 years.
5 years.
5 years. So in this, my lord, committee, kindly see serial number 21, Jagan Singh has already been died much before
Jagan Singh.
Jagan Singh, my lord. So he's also included in this member, my lord. So
Okay.
this committee is totally illegal, my lord. It's still functioning, my lord.
So merely inclusion of a dead member, whether that will vitiate this notification?
My lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, appreciate them.
How? Out of 27 number, one is dead.
Now, already dead before the constitution.
Already dead. So what is the law? Whether this is illegal or irregular?
Irregular.
Huh?
There is irregular.
Irregular, it is a curable irregularity then. So, my lord, instead of dead person now, one live person.
That will be rectified.
That will be rectified. That will not make it illegal. 27%. Had it been a one-member committee, that man is dead.
My lord,
dead.
my lord, kindly. My lord, as per the guidelines, the chairman have to forward the name of the members, all the members. The chairman.
What is the guideline?
My lord, kindly see page 26, my lord, operative person.
26.
26. It is guidelines. Para 3 in the top.
DC.
Para 3 in the top. The name of all the members will be submitted by the chairperson designated to CEM through the president director.
What is this? Is TCLCC. Page 26 is.
No, my lord.
Okay, come to page 25.
Yes. It's BCDC, process of selection of members.
Guidelines. Clause 3, page 26. Yes, you have received instructions.
Yes, my lord. Categorical response will be given, my lord. So we would file an affidavit. Every concerns will be taken care of.
Okay, DP Mondo for the petitioner. Right. And Mr. SR Rava, standing counsel. BTC.
Yes, ma'am.
For respondent number.
All right.
2, 3, 5. Also heard Mr. J. Henrik S. Sharma, learned Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 4. And Mr. You appear for whom?
Private.
HR Ahmed.
Huh?
That's number 6.
HR Ahmed.
My lord.
Learned counsel for the respondent number 6.
My lord, I'm for respondent number 1.
You are MS?
P. Viswas.
P. Vishwas, learned counsel appearing for?
S. Datta. S. Datta.
Yes, Doctor. Learned standing counsel, Panchayat and Rural Development Department for the respondent number 1. Mr. Rava, learned standing counsel BTC, has submitted that he has received the necessary instructions to file affidavit traversing the contentions made in the petition, and he has sought for 3 weeks' time to file such counter affidavit. Lays the case on 13th. The prayer is allowed.
Item number 45.
Rava.
45.
May I please, Your Lordship? This is a petition which I have filed, my lord, because of complete inaction on the part of the respondents in mutating the property, which is owned in the name of the petitioners before Your Lordship. There are 3 sale deeds which were executed, my lord, way back in 2007 and 2008. No dispute qua the title, a clear, perfect, undisputed title. The only reason why the mutation could not take place from 2003 all the way till till last year, because there was a writ petition pending, Lord. This is regarding the Kamakhya Hills, where the Ma Kamakhya deity had filed a writ petition to the debutter, and that was pending for a long time, and there was an interim order operating. And in 2011, the authorities had informed us that because of the interim order,
It is a case of mutation simpliciter.
My lord.
It is a case of mutation simpliciter.
Yes, yes. The process has not even.
And it is a
initiated.
process which is covered under Assam Right to Public Services.
Exactly. In the process, I have filed my representations. They've acknowledged it. They've not even responded to it. process has not been initiated till date.
No, have you
On
filed,
last-
when did you file your application for mutation?
The representations I have enclosed. your lordship.
Representation will not do, there is a proper
No,
procedure.
but they have not opened it. That needs to be opened because this, there was an interim order of this honorable court operating for such a long period of time from 2003 all the way till 22. Therefore, my lord, they had not opened mutation for this particular area. This is the Durga Sarovar Hill. So once that writ petition was disposed of in 22, and that writ petition, that judgment also I have enclosed with my writ petition. After, in fact, your lordships were kind enough to mention in that order that mutation will proceed now after the writ petition was disposed of. And after that also I have filed my representations, and mutation process is not initiated even. for
When
this
did you
area.
file your application?
Yes, my lord.
Where is that?
I'll give your lordship 3 dates. After the disposal of the writ petition, your lordship will find my representation on 15th November 22 at page 189. And thereafter again on 24th March.
Yes, MS Sharma, whether
23.
process of mutation in that particular area is on or not?
We have written to them, we haven't received a response. Lordship fixes it next week, my lord, I'll take it.
Find out at least.
Yes, my lord.
Process is on or not.
I
And if it is not on, why not?
Because if I may just point out, if your lordship permits me, there was a writ petition which was disposed of. Your lordship will find that order at page 154.
If the process is on, then it comes under right to public services right. We are disposing writ petition like that.
My lord.
If it is not, the circle officer is a competent authority.
Yes.
To process the mutation.
Yes.
If he does not do so, then there is a provision for appeal.
Yes.
If the deputy commissioner does not do so, there is a provision for appeal before
Absolutely.
the tribunal.
It's a
So we
complete
are
course by
disposing of
itself.
writ petition like that.
Yes.
But question is that since you have raised the question that whether the process of mutation is not on.
Yes, it is not even initiated.
So
till date.
let State Council obtain instruction whether the
They have
process.
taken time twice, your lordship. And because
Which
oh,
area?
I
Which
don't-
area? Tell me.
My lord.
Which area?
My lord,
Exact area. Tell me.
the judgment is at page 154.
No, your area.
This is
your
Durga,
land.
Durga Sarovar Hills.
Where is the particular?
Kamakha.
This is
Your land particulars.
my lord.
Okay. The petitioner. Heard Mr. A. Pukon.
A. Pukon.
Learned counsel for the petition and MS S. Sharma. Learned junior government advocate Assam for the respondent number
3, 2, 3, and 4.
4. Also heard MSN Border Standing Council Revenue Department for the respondent number 1. Full stop. The primary grievance of the petitioner is that there is inaction on the part of the respondent authorities in mutating the name of the petitioner in a parcel of land covered by DAG number 135 within bracket new DAG number 210 bracket close Roman N patta number 88 comma situate at village.
Durga Sarovar.
Where is that? Durga Sarovar.
This is on the other side of the road. On one side is
Village.
My lord, your lordship
Durga
will
Hor-
find it at my synopsis also.
Durga Horobor, Mauja Jalukbari. Full stop. The petitioner has submitted that petitioner had purchased. The petitioner had purchased the said parcel of land by registered sale deeds.
Registered sale deed upon payment of full stamp duty, my lord, into
Registered sale deeds.
3 sale deeds, your lordship.
Registered sale deeds. All are under DAG number 210.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. The total area of land the petitioner had purchased is, what is the total area?
My lord, what this for the first plot of land is 1 kotha, dos letsa.
Total.
My lord, it will be
One is 8 bighas.
1 kotha. There's
Oh, we are not going to calculate it.
well, it will be 1.
You don't have any information. Okay.
My lord,
Okay,
approximately.
analyze. Thank you. Mr. Pukon, the counsel for the petitioner has submitted that though in view of pendency of a writ petition, the process of mutation was not undertaken earlier by the respondent authorities comma, there is no impediment, comma, as of now, comma, to undertake a process of mutation in respect of the parcels of land, comma, purchased by the petitioner, comma, in view of disposal of the petition in the year 2022.
27th October 22, my lord.
In view of disposal of the petition on 27 October 2022.
Writ petition number is 6498 of
Okay,
2003.
WBC number
6498 of 2003.
MS Sharma, Learned State Council, shall obtain instruction as to whether, firstly, as to whether the process of mutation has been kept in abeyance, or process of mutation in respect of the areas wherein the petitioner's parcels of land are located is kept in abeyance or not. If kept in abeyance, the region is to hide. MS Sharma has sought listing of the case on
Next week, my lord, subject to the convenience. 17th, subject.
2011,
Deeply obliged, lord.
2022.
Obliged.
If the process is on, and you
My lord.
go. by the
That's all
appropriate
that I'm
process.
asking for.
Item number 46.
Deeply obliged.
My pleasure, Lord. It's fine. I'm paying for response number 1 and 2. We have
Yes.
filed our affidavit in opposition today, Your Lordship. It has not-
Today?
Yes,
You
sir.
have
It has not come on
received?
record.
Yes, madam, we have received, my lord. We seek 3 weeks time to file our response.
Okay.
Well, on the next.
Mr.
Vidas.
Vidas, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. A.I. Ali, Learned Standing Counsel, ECI. For the respondent number 1 and 2. Mr. S.P. Chaudhary, Learned Central Government Counsel for the respondent number 3 and 4. NMS S. Sharma, Learned Junior Government Bukit for the respondent number 5. So, Mr. Ali, Learned Standing Counsel, ECI, has submitted that an affidavit of opposition on behalf of the respondent number 1 and 2 has been filed today by serving a copy to the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. So, Mr. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has prayed for and is granted 3 weeks time to file an affidavit in reply to the to the counter affidavit of opposition filed by the respondent number 1 and 2. So, stop. Release the case on.
Well, after filing our response, our prayer interim pay may be considered on.
Release the case on.
Item number 47.
Made with your lordship. The first time, the second time listed today, lordship.
47. Yes, PWD. PWD.
Yes, lord.
Yes, PWD. You are not paying rent. That is what the allegation, right?
Yes, lord.
Whether that instruction is awaited, madam.
8, 9.
This is not like contractor's dues.
It will have to be, yes.
It will not bound by Tamsir Ali.
My lord. Well, 10 days, my lord, at least.
Okay. MS R. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Be you wish standing counsel. PWD. For the respondent number 1 to 5. And MSS Sharma. Learned Junior Government of Assam for the respondent number 6. The subject matter of the repetition is non-payment of rent.
Rent, lordship, they have paid. Hence,
Non-payment of area rent
lordship.
as per
Enhanced rate, lordship.
as per
Order dated, lordship.
as per
22/6/2022.
the provisions of Assam Rent Control Act,
Assam Urban Areas Rent.
Urban Areas Rent Control Act,
Lordship.
1972, which have provided for enhanced rate
Lordship.
at on periodic basis after a particular period,
5
right?
years.
5 years.
5 years, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Gogoi, standing counsel. PWD has sought for 10 days time to obtain instructions in terms of the order dated 8/9/2020, terms of obtaining instruction to file affidavit in terms of the order dated 8/9/2023. Order has been passed already.
Yes.
Detailing the amounts paid as well as if any amount is required to be paid. Please the case on.
After 10 days, Lordship.
After 10 days.
15.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 50.
Let it be on 17, madam.
17.
17.
Next Friday.
17, madam.
We are in December.
Oh,
15, 12.
Yes, yes.
Not November.
No, let it be on December. I will have the inspection.
Item number 50.
May I please, your lordship? Here, lordship, my caste certificate has been cancelled by the deputy commissioner, lordship, without affording me any opportunity to provide the documents as sought for.
Yes. Who are contesting
The
respondent?
government advocate was there.
MS Sharma.
We are yet to receive instructions. Lordship grants me 2 weeks' time.
Lordship, may kindly see the order dated
I have
19.
seen, I have seen.
Yes.
Has to come from
What
Hamred.
is your what is your age?
Lordship?
Are you pursuing any
No, no, lordship.
educational course?
No, I'm a teacher, lordship.
Teacher.
Yes.
Aged about
45 years, lordship.
okay, you can wait for 10-15 days.
Yes, but on
If
the,
you are a student, I could have
yes, I can wait, but lordship. on
this
the-
this will keep open on the next day. Violation of natural justice.
Yes, lordship. Yes.
Violation of natural justice.
Yes.
No opportunity was.
Yes, no opportunity was
Effort.
given. In fact, no notice was given to me that I need to produce those documents. As
Yes, how do you address this point? Please address on the next day.
Lordship,
Notice, my lord.
respondent number 5 is the state tax scrutiny committee. It is
5.
yes, their name has not been shown in the court list.
He could fit.
Okay, you represent.
আমার এখন নাই।
You represent respondent number 5.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, a copy may also be served.
We will furnish copy, lordship.
Mr. Arbora,
Yes, lordship.
learned counsel for the petition. Who has cancelled? Where is that?
Lordship at page 18.
Okay, deputy commissioner cancelled.
Lordship, it was issued by the deputy commissioner, page 17. And then the assistant commissioner, he cancelled it.
Okay, he steps into the shoes of deputy
Yes,
commissioner.
yes.
MSS Sharma, learned Union Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 124. And Mr.
Shi Sharma, Lordship.
Shi Sharma, you are standing counsel?
I'm not the standing counsel, Lordship. I'm representing Mr. RM Das. Is the standing
Okay,
counsel.
learned counsel representing Mr. RM Das, learned standing counsel,
Social Justice and Empowerment Department.
Social Justice and Empowerment Department representing the respondent number 5. Full stop. Mr. So Das, not
Shi Sharma,
Sharma,
Lordship.
Sharma. Has submitted that a copy of the writ petition has not been served, has not been received by him. Mr. Bora, today or by tomorrow?
Today itself, lordship.
Okay. Mr. Bora, the counsel for the petitioner has undertaken to serve a copy of the writ petition along with annexes to Mr. Sharma during the course of the day. Full stop. Okay. Both MS Sharma and Mr. Sharma have sought for 10 days time to obtain instructions as regards the interim prayer. As regards the including the prayer for interim relief. Also, the prayers are allowed. The prayer for interim relief will be considered on the next date of listing. The name of Mr. R.M. Das, standing counsel. Social Justice and Empowerment Department be reflected in the respondent side in the cause list. Place the case on 11.
11.
12.
Name of standing council Karbi Anglong has wrongly been shown in the cause list. They are not a party here.
Okay, the name of learned standing council KAAC reflected in the cause list, comma be deleted as the KAAC is not a party respondent in this petition.
Time being item number 38.
My lord, the proposal is under consideration, but my lord, regarding the FOC proposals, all will be considered after 11 November. So let it be after 2 weeks.
11
November.
November.
So let it be after 2 weeks.
Date will be fixed, my lord.
And Hawk learned counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr. B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel finance department has submitted that the matter of release of payment to the petitioner's bill is under active consideration of the department, and he will be able to furnish definite instructions after 11/11/2023. You are appealing for Mr. Raskwa, B. Raskwa. And standing counsel cooperation department is also in attendance. Post of as sought for by Mr. Gogoi and standing counsel finance department. This is the case on 2011.
For orders item number 51 and 52.
Please, your lordship. Your lordship.
Why it has come for order? In the order column?
Lordship, the respondent number 2.
Yes, point number 2.
They have sought for the permission on 28/6/2023. My lord, may kindly peruse that order. And affidavit
Who
was
is
to be
respondent?
filed.
Two.
Respondent number 2.
Environment and Forest Department.
The KAAC lordship, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council.
Respondent number 2 is not KAC department.
Oh, 3 lordship, 3 lordship.
No, it is 5 only.
In the new writ petition lordship, the second writ petition, that is WPC number 768 of 2023.
1 minute.
In the first writ petition is respondent number 5 lordship.
1 minute.
My lord.
Okay, 2 aspects in the first writ petition. 2
Lordship.
aspects,
Yes, lordship.
right?
Yes, lordship.
That presence of NH
IDCL.
AI,
Yes, lordship.
National Highway Authority of India,
My lord.
is not necessary. And submission was made on the previous date that National Highways Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited should be made a party respondent.
Yes, lordship. And that
Right.
is done, my lord.
So today the case is listed on that basis.
In fact,
Firstly,
lordship,
tell me
the
that
steps have already been taken.
one by
lordship.
one, 5812.
Lordship. Now the steps have been taken,
Because
lordship.
the road for
Yes,
which
lordship.
you are seeking compensation
Yes, lordship.
is constructed by NHIDCL, not
Lordship.
by National Highway Authority of India.
Yes, Lord.
Right?
Yes, Lordship.
You have made NHAI a party respondent in this
Yes, Lord.
petition instead of NHIDCL.
Lordship.
Where is Mr. C. Borua? That is his submission. Now, for proper adjudication of the case, writ petition,
Lordship.
presence of NHIDCL as party respondents is necessary.
My lord.
So he has made submission that name of NHAI should be deleted from the area of respondents. So this is the order passed today, on the previous date, in writ petition 5812/2022.
My lord. In fact, Lordship, we have
Without
already made-
proper respondents, we cannot get one.
we have already filed, Lordship, respondent
What
number
file?
8, 9, and 10, my lord. They are the NHIDCL, the National
Item number 50.
Guwahati and the block under which the construction is going on, Lordship. In the first writ petition, my lord, will kindly appreciate that we have filed the IA which is yet to be listed before the Zound Court.
Tell me that the first had beginning instead of
My lord,
reading all throughout,
Lordship.
you
In
should
the-
have said so.
Yes, Lordship. So in the second writ.
I have
petition,
read the
there's a
entire
part.
part,
My lord,
then you have come,
Lordship,
take the submission.
Lordship.
You should have told me that IA has been filed for impleading the necessary parties.
My lord.
And what about the second one?
It's already a party, Lordship, respondent number 8, 9, and 10, the NHIDCL.
So the petitioners in 51 are different from the petitioners in 52.
No, same petitioners, Lordship. First is on the issue that the respondent number 6 and 7 in the first writ petition, my lord. Item number 51. The Forest Department were trying to stake claim to the land of our lands where we have all the documents and the revenue payments till 2026, Lordship. The Forest Department was forcefully trying to stake claim on our land. So we filed a petition before the Zound Court. Now the second writ petition at item number 52 is for compensation, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship.
So when you have filed the IA,
In the first writ petition, Lordship,
both are tagged together, right?
which is pending before the registry, Lordship.
Okay. Mr.
Joshua.
Learned Counsel for the petitioners in both the petitions has submitted that and interlocutory application. Any number? I number?
We'll give the number, Lordship.
Okay, and an interlocutory application has been filed in WPC number 5812/2022.
Lordship.
Seeking implement of the authorities in the NHIDCL. Then we'll delete, Mr. Borua will delete only after registration.
Yes,
of
my
the
lord. Yes,
IA.
yes, my lord.
Okay,
IA number is there, Lordship. We have got the.
okay. IA number.
2182.
IAC number
2182.
2182 2023.
2023. In that case, they have made NHIDCL party.
Okay,
And
as
I
the
For NHIDCL.
as the said interlocutory application, IAC number so and so is not listed today. Command the Learned Counsel for the parties. We have sought for listing of the cases along with the IA on next Friday. Next Friday.
My lord.
Heard Mr. So and so, প্রথমে লিখে দিব।
Lordship.
C. Borua, Learned Standing Council, NHAI, MS R. Bora, Learned Standing Council,
NHIDCL.
NHIDCL, and Mr. R.S. Rongha for Learned Council for the respondent KAAC. Okay. Next Friday with the IA.
Lordship. Lordship.
Next Friday.
Item number
Next-
53.
53.
This is the Lordship.
My pleasure. I'm looking for the private response number 10. We need some time to file our objection.
What is this?
But
IA?
IA was filed for modification of order dated 2/9/2022.
You are for the petitioner.
I am for the petitioner, my lord. I filed the petitioner filed the IA, my lord.
Why? I for?
I for modification of order dated 7/2/2022. Lordship will find at page 19 or 19, my lord, of our
No,
intellectual application.
Modification of which order?
Modification of my lord,
Of order
Order
dated
dated 2/9/2022.
2/9/2022.
page 21 is the relevant, my lord.
Let me see in the repetition itself. 2/9/2022.
7/2/2020 is the order, my lord.
Which modification of which order?
My-
26/10/2022.
That is, my lord,
No, which order? Past year repetition.
that is page 27, my lord. Page 27, lordship, of our interlocutory application, order dated 2/9/2022. And
Which part?
page 28, para 5, my lord, is the. Actually, my lord, we are running a private market, my lord, at our own land.
And Mr. Hazarika, you are representing whom?
5A respondent number 10. Government market, government settlement,
Government.
government settlement.
Sorry, madam, I'm here. I'm sorry.
No,
In this case, there is development, my subsequent development, madam. We find an affidavit showing on the record about the no objection given by the deputy commissioner. Madam. Thereafter, they again might have cancelled that. So later development, madam. So
Lordship,
we are
one-
going to challenge that also, madam.
Lordship, so far as NOC is concerned, Lordship,
Yes.
this was challenged before the Honorable Division Bench, Lordship. Division Bench was pending as well.
Mr. Hazarika, right?
Lordship,
You represent whom?
5A respondent number 10. Romari
In Romari Market.
Romari market.
Romari Market, what kind of entity it is?
Government settled market.
Huh?
Government settled market. This market is run by the Panchayat.
It's a private man. AWACS is a private.
No, this nomenclature of respondent number 10. Romari Market represented by its president.
President.
Or Romari Gaon Panchayat, I think.
No, that is my Romari market 10, my lord. It will be 10, respondent number 10.
Right.
9 is the panchayat.
Panchayat.
Right.
How can there be a market
No,
represented by a
that
president?
is a committee, my lord. A Romari market represented by its president, respondent number 10. That market is represented by its president, man, not panchayat, man. Okay, respondent 9 is the panchayat,
That market is run by
run by them.
Gaon Panchayat.
No, government. I do not know, my lord. So far, AWACS is concerned, private market. To us, my lord, that is also private market to us. But they are saying, my lord, because this is by that market is going on. Now, what happened, my lord? Our market has been stopped. Their market is running, my lord.
Okay, what kind of modification you want?
Now, your kindly see, my lord, subsequent affidavit we filed on 25/4/23.
In this I.
Yes,
I.
in page 92, your lordship, page 92.
No, I.
Oh, yes. In IA, your lordship will find that order is page,
Clarification of the order.
page 27. In the order of this honorable by coordinate bench, my lord. Here simple says, my lord, this market will be subject to the existing law. The otherwise, Home Talukdar is there, my lord, that private market, they will go on their own. Here it is clarified that since the Assam Cattle Preservation Act has come subsequently, so this market will be subject to the requirement of that act, my lord. So that way, after getting this order, my lord, they have stopped my market. Your lordship will find they have stopped my market, and that your lordship.
That Assam Cattle Preservation Act 2021.
21.
And there is a set of rules also.
Rules also.
And there is a notification also.
Notification about the registration, we do not find anything here.
No, we have disposed of many repetitions already.
Notification.
We have a notification. If you want to, court master can provide that notification.
We will be.
That one
We will be.
deputy commissioner has been made the competent authority
Yes.
to allow
No,
permission, to grant permission.
we don't have, but
You go through that notification.
yeah, we'll be grateful to you also.
Lordship, so far as the notification as well as the NOC is concerned, this was challenged before the honorable.
Your
commissioner.
issue is not related to Mr. Hazarika. Your issue is directly with deputy.
Because they are the person who are standing in the way of my whole problem is that they are the person,
But
they want money, they are.
Power
to
is to be exercised by the deputy commissioner.
That's true, madam.
Okay.
Since we filed before the deputy commissioner, deputy has not taken any action. We came before the honorable court to give and take action.
We have disposed of many writ petitions on
That's
the basis of that notification. You go through it, one of the
So let me
orders.
have it and let it come after do it,
One of the orders, you go through it,
my lord,
but deputy commissioner has to exercise his statutory power.
my
That's all. That's
deputy
all.
commissioner already given some order of no objection, NOC, my lord. That's my, kindly page 92, my lord. Page 92.
92.
That I think because that notification was given, my lord. That notification also mentioned. here.
Because this writ petition is of 2020,
Yes,
right?
yes,
There are sets of rules framed in 2021.
yes. Act
Right.
21, rule 22.
And there are notifications that are of
That
2022.
notification 25/7/22
Ah.
mentioned here, my lord.
Right.
So with referring to that notification, no objection was given to me. There again, it has been cancelled now.
Okay.
This is the now my. This is the
Page, page,
page 92. Additional affidavit, my lord.
additional. affidavit.
We got the notice of this honorable court that no objection certificate. my
Of the writ petition.
No, in file with writ petition 764/20, page 92. It is an affidavit.
18
filed-
June, 18 June,
My lord?
18 June.
No, huh? 18 June.
Page 92 is a letter of
25th day of April 23, my lord. This affidavit filed. And that order is 17/3/23. Page 92. Your lordship got it.
It should be page actually 135.
Oh, my, that I don't.
135.
I'm sorry, my lord, maybe because of the order dated 17/3/23. No objection.
Rakhaldubi Ancholik Bazaar.
Anchalan Bazar.
So in March 17,
Yes,
this NOC has been issued.
issue.
Then what happened there?
Now, my lord, they have come with another notice saying that I have violated some condition. That is not filed, my lord. It is later development, my lord.
Not filed.
It is only 410.
Can bring it.
Oh, that's why, my lord. That's
Then
why
bring it.
we will bring it.
In the meantime, I will also file our.
They are taking time again and my lord.
IA, which one?
IA, it is my
295.
295.
Mr. HRS Chaudhary. Senior counsel, assisted by Mr. M.H. Chaudhary. And a counsel for the applicants, writ petitioners, has submitted that there are certain subsequent development in the form of an order.
On the for the order dated 4/10/23 issued by District Development Commissioner,
Okay.
cancelling the earlier no objection certificate.
Cancelling the earlier no objection certificate dated 17/3/2023
Yes.
without affording any opportunity to the applicant's petitioner. First of, Mr. Chaudhary has just submitted that he likes to bring the said order on record by way of an additional affidavit within 10 days' time. On the other hand, Mr. A.H. Soikia Hazarika,
AJ Hazarika.
A.H. Hazarika,
AJ
A.J. Hazarika, learned counsel for the respondent number
10.
10, OP number 10, has also sought for 10 days' time as a last opportunity to file an objection to the interlocutory application. MS
Lordship J. Bora, Lordship.
J. Bora, learned counsel.
For respondent number 1 to
You
6,
represent whom?
S. Dr. Lordship, PNRD.
Learned counsel representing Mr. S. Dr. Learned Standing Counsel, Panchayat and Rural Development Department is in attendance. Please the case on. On.
We are in, because our market is closed now, my.
2911.
Item number 54.
We have to 9 of this. Obliged to.
May I please, your Lordship? My Lord,
Mr. R. S. Chauhan, learned counsel for the petitioners. And MS.
J. Bora Lordship.
J. Bora. Learned MS RDB, learned Central Government Council for the respondent number 1. And MS J. Bora, learned counsel representing Mr. S. Dr. Learned Standing Council. Panchayat and Rural Development Department for the respondent number
2, 4, 5, 6, and 7, Lordship.
2, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And MS M. Borman, learned Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 3 are present. Full stop. As per office order dated 8/9/2023 of the Lawajima Court, the service of notice upon the respondent number 8 is completed. Full stop. As all the respondents have been duly served, release the case in the next week in the admission column.
55 and 56.
MS.
Services are completed in both the matter.
MS, your name please.
K. Sumi Lordship.
JC.
K. Sumi Lordship.
Okay.
K. Sumi.
My lord, I am not opposing the, I am appealing for number 4. I am not opposing the writ petition.
MS so and so. You are entering appearance.
I have already appeared in item number 56 and 55 is connected same parties, my lord. Matter is, my lord, with regard to issuance of notice by Kaji for Kula Talak.
Let us record the name.
Yes.
And Bodole. Standing counsel. Revenue 1. MS Bormon, you represent whom? In item,
Yes, I am not, my lord.
item
Item 56.
WBC 1959,
1959, respondent 2, my lord.
2 and 3.
3 is
Oh, who is this? Respondent number 3. Who represents him? Huh?
privately addressed, your lordship, respondent number 3.
Very Muslim as
Please for
Kaji.
I am for 2 only.
huh?
Respondent 3 should be privately
Okay,
addressed.
3. You represent Mr.
Number 4.
4. Okay. And Mr. Name.
HL Moria.
HL.
My name is Sunny.
HL Moria.
Yes, my name is
Learned
Sunny.
counsel for the respondent number 4.
4. In both cases, my lord. Although my name is not Sunny.
Are present. Full stop. As per order dated 16/10/2023 of the Lawajima Court, the service of notice among the respondent number 3 is complete. As all the respondents are duly served, the notices release the case for admission in the next week. Oh, 1 minute. In the next case, Ms. Bormon,
I know.
you have accepted a notice for the same party, respondent number 3.
My lord, that file, like office record is not with me right now. I could not go through my lord.
You have
That ought
denied
not to
to accept notice on behalf of respondent number 3 in one petition. And you have accepted the notice for the same authority in the next writ petition. That is why,
That ought not to be. That ought not to be.
right, there is some problem.
It's not
My
on
lord.
my part.
May I submit, my lord?
Huh? No, there is some problem. In a second writ petition, MS Bormon has accepted notice wrongly on behalf of respondent number 3. You take first steps.
My lord.
In WBC,
My lord, item has already become infructuous, my lord.
huh?
Item has already been, matters have already become infructuous because, my lord, pursuant to the notices which I impugned the writ petitions, talak was granted by the Kaji and that was subject cancelled. So there is nothing to proceed further, my lord.
It is up to the petitioner to submit.
Respondent number 4 had filed petition for talak before the Sadar Kaji. Notices were issued. The notices have been challenged in these two writ petitions. Subsequently, talak was granted. Khula talak was granted. And when the notice of the writ was received by the Kaji, then he cancelled the talak also. So matter has already become infructuous, my lord.
My lord,
There is nothing to proceed further, my lord.
now, my lord, the power of Kazi, my lord, is very limited to register divorce or to register a marriage. Here, this Kazi,
No, simple, I have to understand the concept of all this nature of talak. To understand, simple thing I am asking you today is whether his submission is correct or
No, my
not,
lord.
not accepted. So that is a different matter altogether. Now then the question is that service of notice happened respond number 3 in the second writ.
second writ petition, my lord.
So MS Bormon has accepted wrongly, not MS Bormon, MS Sharma on the earlier date. So you better take first steps for service of notice happened respond number 3 in the second writ petition.
Second writ
That
petition.
is why it has come for listing, not on all these issues. Full stop. It will লিখে দিব। নামকেইটা আগৰকেইটা লিখি দিব। M Bormon to খালি অলি respond number 2 লিখিব। MS Bormon. Junior government advocate has submitted that on the previous date, the notice was wrongly accepted by the State Council on behalf of the respondent number 3. Full stop. She has thus submitted that notice be issued afresh in respect of the respondent number 3, Mr. Khan, F. Khan. Mr. Khan, counsel for the petition, shall take first steps for service of notice. You can serve Dusty also.
My lord.
First steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3 by way of registered post with AD. In addition, petitioner is permitted to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3 by way of which is to be routed through the so and so. List the case after 2 weeks. List the along with WBC number 1959/2023.
Obliged.
You file your affidavit, bringing all those facts. We can decide whether it is infructuous or not.
Okay, madam. Actually, on the respect of those notices, talak was granted, so cancelled. Talak is also cancelled.
I am not conversant with all this religious thing. Will hear you on that aspect.
Item number 57.
Ayub Khan,
My lord, I am appearing for net fee, my lord, respond number 2.
what is the subject?
My lord, it's against the surface action taken by the bank. The property was mortgaged with the institute. And thereafter, my lord, they had sold the land.
You represent whom?
Net fee, my lord, respond number
Net
2.
fee.
Yeah,
So what will be your submission today?
Well, sir, alternate remedy is available to them, which alternate remedy is available to them, my lord. They could have gone.
Okay,
for
the
an
council
appeal.
is not available. Why did it has come for listing?
Come for orders, my lord.
1 minute. Maybe office note. Oh. You represent respond number
2.
2. Okay, we have to wait for respond number 6.
Phone number 16.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. Whereas MS M. Burman Learned, Junior Government Advocate Assam, for the respondent number 3, 4, and 5 is present. Mr. R.K. Batra, Learned Counsel, has submitted that he has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 2. Full stop. In view of the office note. Huh?
Respondent number.
Okay, okay. N Bodule will be, whereas your N Bodule standing council revenue. But respondent number 1, M. Burman, 3, 4, and 5. In view of the office note dated 25/10/2023, wait for the service report in respect of the respondent number 6. Full stop. Despite non-representation on behalf of the petitioner, are today on call, the interim order passed earlier, forensic of justice stands extended till the next date of listing, less than yes, after 2 weeks or later.
Well, the date may kindly be fixed. 15/12. Well, in the meantime, we'll file our affidavit also.
Item numbers 58 to 60.
I am appearing in item number 59.
59.
Yes.
Biswas.
Now, my lord, if your lordship could kindly have a look at order dated 8/9/23, my lord. In item number 59. There was a proposal, my lord, according to the learned government advocate, that they are going to acquire the land.
What? Otherwise, the cases have come for service of notice upon respondent number 7 in Mr. A. Biswas case.
Okay.
And that respondent number 7
Ah.
is the petitioner in item number 59,
Yes,
which is
and-
you.
Ah.
So
But
tell
we
me,
have not received any notice, man. Patient.
so if you accept the notice,
Oh. No, my lord, actually what had happened, in our case, they got their matter tagged. And in any case.
no, that is why I want to know from Mr. Dubey
Yes,
that the Purbanchal Griha Nirman Unnayan Committee,
yes.
who is the petitioner in item number 59, is the respondent number 7 in Mr. Biswas petition.
We have not.
Right.
We have not. received.
And the case has been listed in the orders column regarding lack of service report in respect of respondent number 7 in Biswas petition.
Yes.
Right. If Mr. Dubey accepts the notice, then it can be listed again in the admission column
Yes.
in the next week.
But subject to.
Then your prayer will be considered regarding that.
Subject to permission from your lord. In fact, my lord, if I'm.
Now, subject to permission is different thing.
No, my lord,
Take
my
5
senior-
minutes.
No, my lord, my senior is, I want to indicate with leave of your lordship and my senior. But our case was fixed today. If your lordship would see, because on last occasion, but there was a survey and all.
Okay, this case is also listed.
Now, my lord, they filed writ petition subsequently and that has got listed.
They said that it should be tagged with our case.
Okay.
Actually, my lord, they
Okay,
claim to be
okay.
a builder. And they want to,
Society member.
society.
Builder is 60.
Oh.
Meghali Burma.
They are
Okay.
Society member.
Member.
They are all people, কিন্তু সিভিল কোর্টে যাবো এত 226 করে দিচ্ছে
Mr. Chaudhary, there is some development
Yes,
that land measuring 30 bigha,
yes.
your land, has been requisitioned
Ah.
under section 3(1) of the Assam Land Requisition and Acquisition Act 1964
Yes.
on 6/11/2023, only yesterday.
Okay.
So if you want to have the copy
we'll
of
have it.
this, I think
Eventually,
better,
I would like to acquire it.
better to, before addressing,
Okay, let the matter be called next week, my lord.
Ah.
Meanwhile, let us go through it.
MS Burman, you can furnish a copy of this notification to Mr. Dubey, right? So, and if required, you have to challenge this also.
No, my lord, will not challenge.
You are ready?
Yes.
House is not constructed there. Okay, okay.
My lord, when permission was denied on the ground that it is in the part of the schedule of that act. So my lord, our land has become useless. It's a piece of paper only. So might as well come acquire it.
So, Mr. Dubey, can you have this information that you can represent
Yes,
in
my lord, I have
response number
taken.
7
Yes, yes.
in item number so
Yes, my
and
lord,
so?
I have taken that instructions.
You have taken?
Yes.
Okay.
Only thing is we'll have to file our power in.
Power.
Heard Mr. We go serially.
Yes.
Heard Mr. A. Biswas Lanet, counsel for the petitioners in WBC 6254/2023. Mr. K. N. Chaudhary, Lanet senior counsel assisted by Mr. R. Dubey, Lanet counsel for the petitioners in WBC 7457/2018. And Mr. R. Majumdar, Learned Counsel for the petitioners in WBC 4395/2022. So also heard Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Standing Counsel GMD for the and Mr. MS M. Borman, Learned Junior Government Advocate Assam for the state respondents. R. Bopulja, Learned Standing Counsel Revenue Department. Mr. The writ petition come on WBC number 6254/2023 has been listed for as regards service report in respect of respondent number 7. So the respondent number 7 is incidentally the petitioner in WBC number 7457/2018. To stop. Mr. R. Dubey, Learned Counsel, who represents the petition in WBC number 7457/2018, has submitted that he has received the instruction to represent the respondent number 7 in WBC number 6254/2023, and he will file the power by next week. First up. MS Borman, Learned Junior Government Advocate Assam, has submitted that the district commissioner, Kamrup Metropolitan District, Guwahati, has passed an order in Form B under Section 3(1) of the Assam Land within bracket Requisition and Acquisition Act 1964, requisitioning and a parcel of land measuring 30 bighas, covered by DAG number 602, patta number so and so, village so and so, belonging to the petitioner society in WBC number 7457/2018. Full stop. Mr. Chaudhary, senior counsel representing the petitioner in WBC number 7457/2017, has submitted that a copy of the notification order dated 6/11/2023
Has been
be
furnished.
furnished.
Already furnished.
Furnished.
Yes.
Okay, has been received by him only today. First off, as agreed to by the Learned Counsel for the parties, lays the cases in the admission column on Friday, next Friday. Next Friday? Mr. Biswas, if you need a copy, get it from you. Get a copy. If from Mr. Majumdar, you need. You are on the petitioner society, right? You are claiming through the petitioner society.
Yes. Item number 61.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, here the office note reflects that my lord steps have not been received, my lord, whereas I have taken already steps, my lord.
Taken?
Yes, taken.
Okay,
All the
they have
place.
Ormian Learned Counsel for the petitioners. And Mr. K. Gugoi, CGC. For the respondent number 1 and 3 to 7.
3 to 6, Lordship.
3 to 6?
6.
3 to 6 are present.
Mr.
Mr. Borvian, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, has submitted that
all the
in
ways
reference to the order dated 19/10/2023, steps have already been taken
on 6th level
by the There is delay.
Late, my lord, due to vacation.
This have been taken by the petitioners
My,
for service of notice upon the response number 2, 8, and 9 on 6/11/2023.
along
The
with-
registry
with-
to ascertain about the same in view of the office note dated 6/11/2023. Full stop. Dusty?
Yes, my lord. We have already submitted, my lord. We are about.
Lordship, in the last
We
order,
have-
it was
We have to receive from the office. We have submitted, my lord, through court road, my lord. We have to collect it.
Mr. Bormui has further submitted that he will, the petitioners will file the compliance affidavit as regards service of
Not-
notice
My-
upon the said respondent, upon the respondent number 2 and 8. Within 2 weeks' time. What then you are representing?
Lordship, in-
6 has gone. Now you are on the earlier date.
earlier date, Lordship, I am not representing 7. Probably, Lordship, it was in that type.
Then who is respondent number
7
7
is the
now?
bank, Lordship. Bank, we cannot, Lordship. Bank, Federal Bank, Lordship.
Bank is there, my lord, 2 and 8.
7 and 2, 7 and 8, Lordship.
Oh, there is something.
Lordship. I am representing only railways, Lordship.
2 RBI. 7, 8.
Then you take the steps only yesterday you have taken it, take the steps on respondent number 7 also.
My lord, by Dusty, my lord. Because I'm already submitting them the branch manager.
Right, but anyway, the respondent.
In
number 7
addition, my lord.
No. He accepted wrongly or the court reflected
I am the accepting
on the
only.
previous date.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Gogoi, Lawrence CDC has submitted that he could not have received the notice on behalf of the respondent number 7 and the fact of his receipt on behalf of the respondent or receipt of notice on behalf of the respondent number 7 is wrongly, is incorrectly reflected in the order dated 9/10/2023. So in view of such submission, Mr. Bormui, and counsel for the petitioner shall take first steps of service.
Dusty, my lord.
Takes 1 minute.
My lord.
Shall take necessary steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 7 by registered post with AD as well as by way of the state.
My lord.
And or by way of the state.
My lord.
And shall file the compliance affidavit within 2 weeks from today after by way of the state, which is to be routed through the registry. Also, Mr. Borgia shall file, the petition shall file the compliance affidavit within 2 weeks from today. List the case again. After 2 weeks.
Interim to be considered, my lord. On the earlier occasion, it has.
The prayer for interim relief is left for consideration on the next date of this.
Left out item number 62.
For that one,
Yeah.
26-2. He is shying away. There is no representative on behalf of the petitioner today on call. Leave the case again on Friday.
It can be disposed of, dismissed, my lord. on
In the
Friday if
event
we
of non-appearance
lack
on behalf of the
observation
petitioner,
repeatedly.
the petition will be considered on the basis of the materials available in the court because it is to be executed.
Yes, my lord.
He has not wasted his time by appearing before the court.
It's onus is on our part to revert him.